Get on what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, nope, y'all can't copy up. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush shit. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night.
Ladies and gentlemen,
till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
hope you guys like the energy. Got them 2010 playlist on, baby. Today's an amazing Money Monday, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are killing it, crushing it. I hope you guys are ready to kill it. Crush it, baby. Woo! What's up, coin trader? Good morning, man. Hope you're crushing this market. So, guys, we're coming in Monday morning, baby. It's 10 a.m. Let's get into it. So, guys, give me 1 second. There we go. All right, we're going to get into it here, guys. So, I have no options trade on the day. I have one futures trade on the day. Well, okay. A kind of futures trade. It was a quick scalp, just so I can keep the account going. So, as you know, this is the sim account. This is the real account. I have 65 on the day or whatnot on it. I just took a quick NQ scalp just for my one trade of the day until I get funded. So, that's what we're sitting at. I'm taking a look at these penny stocks. I want to punch them in, baby. I just can't punch them in yet. None of these stocks have been really, you know, screaming at me. So I can't. I did get trade the pool. If I bring it up here, hold on. I'm down like $20 on the day. Technically, down $20 on the day. Technically, down. I ended up like $2.95 on Friday, so that's why we're at $3.25 total on it. It's okay, baby. I'm looking for that one penny stock play just to dump off, man, and/or rip and run, and I'm gonna catch it all the time, the entire move. So it's gonna get a bit crazy. All right, guys, but I hope you guys are killing today, loving it, baby, punching in the energy. All right, if you guys haven't had a coffee, you guys haven't had a Monster, you guys haven't had a Ghost Energy, go get one. All right, or if you guys naturally can just do this stuff, kudos to you. All right, kudos to you, baby. So we're chilling, waiting and watching, guys. I'm starting to see an uptrend form here, a little higher low pattern form on AMD. Let's do, so, if that cracks the view up, that cracks a 50. I have no options trade today, but I'm looking for some. Looking for them, baby. I might be looking for a little AMD trade over there. We're gonna get over to INTC. I had that up for a little while. We're gonna go Tesla, baby. Oh, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, who's been gatekeeping Tesla? Who's been gatekeeping Tesla, not letting me know about this? What? Tesla on an absolute utter, monster. If this thing breaks, okay, so this is the lower high pattern now. If it breaks to the top side, right? The lower high pattern, guys. All I'm saying is me and Tesla might be getting along above that high a day. So right here is the old high a day. As you can see, channel pattern. Right here would be this high a day. Starting to, didn't really, kind of channel pattern, just is sitting sideways, right? Same thing with here, and then boom. We're going to see. Woo! Oh, man, we're getting crazy. What's up, Forbes? Hope you're having a good morning, man. You're having a great morning. Guys, I'm out of energy drinks, bro. No more Celsius. I forgot to go pick some up, so coffee it is. So I got two plays in my mind right now, ladies and gentlemen. AMD below its view up, below its 50 for a little downtrend break down to the 200. Just gonna see, wait and watch. I more or less want this Tesla breakout to the top side due to the fact the market's pushing. AMD could continue to push off right off that trend line. I'm gonna be pushing these stocks up too with the energy, baby. You guys are gonna be pushing the stocks up. So it's like, you know what I'm saying, guys? You guys get what I mean, right? Today might just be a little bit of a green day. Finally, let's go back to a 4-hour. Ladies and gentlemen, we are due for a good green day, guys. it has been a tear to the downside recently, which I'm not complaining. All right, I'm just buying at a cheaper price long term, baby. You know what I mean? So I'm not in any long-term positions. I'll let you guys know when I am as well. Right now, I'm currently waiting. I want to wait for the market to get down to at least 430 before I start DCAing in. If any of you guys, you know, are already in, or maybe you guys are like, YB, I've been holding since 1987. I've been holding since 2008. Okay, you know, think smart, buddy. All right, just keep DCAing. And me, I'll be like, hey, listen, guys. You do you. All right, you guys are killing the market. You guys are doing awesome because prices back then aren't like they are now. All right, I'm looking for that dip buy. Okay, I'm trying to get there, but I need that dip buy. So 430s, I'll start DCAing in, and we'll see where it goes from there. But you know, yeah. And I'm looking at, last thing I'll say, I'm looking at potentially right before Wednesday's meeting with JP speaking. If I'm correct, that is Wednesday, right? Let me take a look. Economic calendar of the month. I'm gonna load up on puts for the month. Wednesday, S&P Flash manufacturing. Doesn't I thought JP speaks Wednesday. Am I wrong, guys? Am I wrong on that? I might be wrong on that. Tom Barkney speaks tomorrow, so we got nothing. We got nothing today. I might be wrong on that. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. I thought he spoke today. If he does, I mean not today, excuse me, Wednesday. If he doesn't speak Wednesday, I'll still load up on him. Oh, here goes Tesla, ladies and gentlemen. Tesla above that high a day, ladies and gentlemen. I am looking at it. I'm a bit more interested just because I know it could do exactly what it did before and start to break out, rip and run. I'll take it with a lighter size. Probably the 245 Friday expiration, 5 contracts. Nothing too crazy. No 20 contracts like Friday. Friday got wild, ladies and gentlemen. You guys weren't here for that. Gotta be crazy up in here, okay? Gotta be wild. You guys can also look for a dip buy right here off the view up in the 50. Very, very simple play right there. If it can't break, it's gonna bounce right there. Essentially, right now would be the time to get in on a light size, very light size. I'm talking whatever your light size is. If it starts to break these points right here, it has room all the way down to its what is it? It's 200. So you're kind of in like one of those wedges where it's like, what do you do here, right? Woo! Jackson hold Friday. Okay. So it's Friday. It's not Wednesday. Which that would make a. Yep. Powell gives opening speaks about Jack. Okay. That's this Friday. All right. Thank you there, Grambo. Good morning as well, Grambo. Okay, torn trader Jackson Hole as well. Okay. Yep. All right, so Friday it is, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna be a bit crazy till then. So, all right, get your good vibes, high vibrations on, baby, and let's crush it. All right. Woo! We got Jackson Hole Friday. Probably around Wednesday, I'm gonna load up on some S&P puts for next month expiration and/or next week. I'll tell you guys then. And we're just gonna hold, baby. I just don't want Theta to kick in and, you know, eat me alive. So that's what I'm thinking about next month. Cause I know Theta won't hit me. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Put that right there. There we go. Graham was saying last night I slept on top of my covers with the window open to know what it feels like to be homeless. Oh, do it every week and it keeps me honest with myself, with the market. Oh, that's awesome. I thought you were going a complete other direction at first. I thought you were about to be like, oh, it's hot out where I live. So, oops. That's awesome, man. That's humbling too. It's like, damn, bro. Like, oh, there it goes. 229 breaking now, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on, guys.
Order partially.
I'm getting
filled.
in for that high day break.
Order filled.
To see where it goes, but that's honestly a great idea. I mean, I've never personally done it, but I mean, maybe I should try. How does it feel there, Grambo? Is it like a humbling experience? So I'm in right now just holding above that 229. I want to see this thing push above 229.12 and start to really spike, rip and run. As long as it can, you know what I mean? As long as it can get above, holding, just waiting and watching right now. So, Tesla has been on a tear to the top side all day, and quite literally. S&P, if S&P can somehow get a spike, getting a little bit of a sell-off, but you want that little green to come in. So broke it just a little bit, holding above it. I feel like if S&P really starts to get that bounce, it should push Tesla to the top side. But like I said, you know, We're just waiting and watching. I wanted Tesla more than I wanted AMD to the downside, so that's why. That's why we're waiting. We're watching, baby. Let me bring this up. Let me bring this up on a better note. You also have a trend line here. Something like that. There you go. I'm looking for some red to green here on Tesla, baby. I want Tesla to continue to spike, rip, and run above 229.19 and start to push those highs in. Start to kill the market, baby. If it can hold above, start to push 229.19, baby, we'll be good to go. All right, so that's what I'm looking like. I'm looking for that 229 break, 229.19 to come into play. Woo. So waiting and watching here, waiting and watching. Oh yeah, buddy. All right. Let's see what we got here. Waiting and watching for that 229.19 break, baby. Seeing what happens at 2.550. Seeing what happens at them highs, baby. Tesla holding up really, really well. Starting to break above 229, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! There goes Tesla to the top side, baby. There goes Tesla to the top side. Pushing 50 now, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the party. All right. Grab yourself your coffee, like I said. Take a little sip with me. All right, while this thing goes to the moon, goes top side. My TP, maybe 230 areas. I realize that this is like a little bit crazier here. So now you're looking for maybe 230 areas. That's what I might be looking for. I'm looking for 229.50 to break. 229.50 break. I'm looking for 230. Okay? So that's the game plan, baby. Look at that dip buy right off the 50 view up. Woo! We're getting a little crazy. All right. Let's see it go up, baby. There it goes. We're pushing 50 now. Just went up to 4.7, 4.8. Tesla getting crazy. 4.7. You want to see it push it, baby. You want to see what happens at 50. So looking for 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, 50 to come in. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking out, breaking above. There she goes, guys. Looking for the, what is it, 230. Seeing what happens at 230. Still ripping and running, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. You guys are up 10%. I love to see it. So right here is 230. Still pushing the highs. You want to see it break 7.5 like water. Just like water. Like a knife going through butter, baby. You guys know it. 70. Let's see 7.5 break like water, baby. 7.5 starting to break. He's a hold above now. Hold above 7.5 and push 30. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Pushing in, spiking through it. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, man, baby. Are you guys printing right now? Are you guys green on this? You guys doing well? I hope you guys are. 229.94, guys. This thing's going crazy now. All the way up to 9.4. Okay, you want to see what happens here at 229, what is it, 229, I guess 9.4 now. That would be the high, right? As long as it holds above, holding above the 7.5 point. I'm going to want some red to green here. Looking to lock up some profits here soon.
Order partially
Locking up
filled.
2, holding 3.
Order filled.
Stop loss coming up into play here soon. It'll probably be 2.5. If it goes red to green, I see red to green happening now. This is a slight pullback to another push, I feel like. Right? Just wait. So micro pullback potentially to another push to the high day. Just waiting and watching now. Micro pullback to a new high a day here. Red to green's what you want. Waiting and watching, baby. Feeling like a beast. Like a Febreze can with no lid, you know? Like a Seagram with no top. Getting a couple in you. 3.2% who? Okay, you guys get it. So red to green looking for that little push back up above that high a day there. Let's see if we can get that going. Let's see if we can get that going, ladies and gentlemen. Back above 7.5. Let's see it hold above 7.5. Woo! Let's see it push them highs, baby. See it get crazy. All right, we're getting this party started early. All right, so you're gonna want to see it. 2.5 is my stop loss. Potential dip buy for anyone looking to get filled.
Order filled.
Out. Taking TP hit, baby. Alright, so, woo, took about like 7% on those. I'll take it. Watch Tesla around 235.8. RM saying 235.8. What is it? RM. What do you? Here, let me see. I got you, buddy. Tesla. I mean, market might start falling off here now, ladies and gentlemen. $235.8. Actually, you just let me know what time frame you're looking on. Just let me know. Because I'm about it. Potential resistance up there. I can see how. Oh, there we go. Alright, so just waiting and watching now. Waiting and watching. There we go. So we'll just go up those 2 little points down there, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Oh, man, baby. I hope you guys are feeling cracked right now. Filled with energy. Alright, I'm going to keep my energy high. I'm trying my best, right? Keep it up there. Right? Sometimes it's hard without this Celsius. Not the good old energy drink. Just gotta really punch it in, baby. Alright, so coming into play now, you want to see this down here. So, I really can't wait to get funded on Apex. That should happen. I thought it was gonna happen today, but it might. So, okay. What day was that? I don't even know what day. I forget. I think it was the 16th. I think it was the 16th I grabbed that account. So 7 days would be Wednesday. So it'll be Wednesday that account will come in. Okay, word. Good to hear. Starting to break this uptrend here, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. What are you guys thinking? If you guys have any tickets you're taking a look at, feel free to let me know. Let me know. Let me in. Don't gatekeep. All right? Thought we were friends here, guys. I see CVNA. Someone said in picture. CVNA. Okay. I forgot CVNA. CVNA doesn't really have options too much. Here we go. Let's get a good party mix going. Some background music. I love this music, but you know, I feel like I'm gonna jam out a little bit too hard here. I'm gonna start.
Who's gonna need more Tide?
Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. These Tide Pod ads, man, they're getting crazy. All right. Getting a bit wild with me. I'm not feeling it. Keep your Tide Pods to yourself. Stop eating them. All right. Wait for these ads to end, guys, and we're gonna get this party started. Okay. Alright, word. Alright, guys, so waiting and watching right now. I'm looking for any type of shorts to come in, any type of penny stock shorts. I'm looking for any type of longs. What do we got? NSSC. NSSC. Oh, yeah, I did trade this one before. Yeah. No, this one. So this stock is fine. I feel like underneath. I would trade it underneath $21 to the short side. You know, Tesla's starting to fall here. If I'm looking at an options trade, it would have to be, you know, it would have to be one of these plays. I do think this is going to hold up a little bit more on the S&P. And ladies and gentlemen, going long ES, yeah, 100%. What is it, Grambo? I'm not against it here. So Grambo, if you want to go long ES, this is the perfect area. Right here is a bounce play. Right here's a bounce play. Well, this is a start. Excuse me, not a bounce play. But look at that, 1 touch, 2 touch. I would go long up and until though. Be cautious around this 50, this 200. And this VWAP area. Got to be very cautious. If this thing starts to crack the trend line at an unholy matter, coming down to 440, 437.50, 437.30, 20, you know, that's when I would be a little bit more cautious to the downside. Oh, okay. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, I'd be a little bit more cautious to the downside then. It would get a little wild then, I feel like. So waiting and watching here. Gonna see what happens. Even at $22, I might take I can't take a lot of positions, a big position on NSSC, but I might take a short underneath 22 of like, I don't know, we'll see how many shares. We'll see. Let's see this thing go green for Grambo, baby. If I'm not in any trades, anyone that's in trades, let's see them print. Come on, S&P, let's push 438. All right, let's get some higher lows forming here. Some red to green here above 437.90, pushing 438 above the 200. Spike right above that VWAP in 50. Just kill it, make it, disrespect it. You know, you just don't want anything like this happening. A little wick there. I can't wait. Grambo, I'll be back Wednesday with futures, man. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Like I said, I'm up $60 today. And let me see this. Let me see her. Where's she at? Where's she at? Hold up. Oh, there it is. Like I said, I'm up 60 bones today, 65 bones on futures. Only, honestly, if anyone's here new, they're like, hey, why aren't you trading futures? You say you're excited for it, right there's the account, why aren't you trading it? I'm already up, as you see, 3,000. The account, I only had to make 3,000. So it's kind of like, it's like, do I really like, you know, I mean, essentially the RR is not there. There's no point. I take one trade a day just to keep, you know what I'm saying? Keep it going, all right? Because I have to make one trade a day, right? So that's where we're at. And I was using my sim account just to see what it was like if I click market order in, market order out immediately on NQ, and that's what it looked like. So I was like, all right, gotta watch out here, all right? Gotta watch out. I'm not trying to go back under 3K. 3K, there it is. So, whoo, let's check out Nvidia, NVDA, man, NVDA. Yup, there's that topside rip. NVDA, guys, I'm pretty sure, and correct me if I'm wrong, they're the company that's making like so many like biochips or something for you know, all these AI bots coming out. Are they not? They're making the chips used for what is it? All the bots coming out, all the AI things. Correct me if I'm wrong. They're heavily involved with AI. Heavily involved. I would not personally buy them at, you know, everything cycle that needs to be seen. I'm pretty sure this is the company that's coming out with all of those, you know, all of that nonsense. Guys, it's a scary world we live in now, man. I'm gonna have a robot named Phil living in my house. Alright. He's gonna be like, do the dishes. Phil's gonna say, yes, sir. Then one night in my sleep, I'm gonna wake up. He's gonna be holding like a baseball bat, looking at me, being like, no, you do the dishes, bud. And I'm gonna be like, honestly, dude, you're made out of metal. I was waiting for the day this was gonna happen. Because you're made out of complete metal. What am I gonna do? Punch you? What am I gonna do? Punch? I'm gonna break my hand. Alright, buddy, yeah, I'll do the dishes. I'll mop the floor while I'm at it too, buddy. It's like, shit. It's like, what can you do, right? It's like, you know, I just don't think I'd ever, I don't know, man. I don't know what their game plan is, but I don't think I'm with it. I don't think we're on the same level here, okay? I think I'm a little bit old school. You know, kill me, but I think I'm old school. I'd rather not have some robot named Phil living in my house. All right, guys, S&P's starting to crack. You're getting a little bit weaker as the day goes on, starting to come down. Will it start to pick a direction to the downside? Whew, we'll see. All right, so we'll see here. I want to see AMD. I want to see AMD. If I want to see the downside break, has to be the 200 break, and then it has to be the uptrend. Uptrend has been holding since. Hold up. Let's correct this. Let's get rid of this. There we go. That's the uptrend now. So that's the real uptrend. I don't think that other wick was real. I think that was a misprint. So that's the uptrend right there. Waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. I want to see this thing go green. If Grambo's still in, maybe get this thing to push up to the view up 250, all super tight here, and then dump right off it. That'd be pretty sick. NSSC as well. NSSC, I'm waiting for that $22 break. I'll go light size down to the $21 break. That's the game plan for me. All right, we all good? We all got the game plans measured out? All right, word. Just making sure. Whew. I am still in? Okay, word. All right, that's good. Good. Grambo, we all know he does not have paper hands. He has diamond hands like a hawk, okay? He knows how to grip his prey and hold on, baby, unlike me. We know that from CL last week. Let's take a look at what happened with CL. We're going to erase the video for 1 second, go to CL. Oh, is CL always open? Yeah, I don't know if that was Friday. I don't think that was Friday. I forget which day that was. Anyways, he held like a hawk though, baby. And I was sitting there like, oh, yep, and I'm out. I was like, and he printed. Homie made like, what is it, 250? Yeah, it was a good trade. And here comes the S&P starting to crash, starting to sell off S&P. Getting a bit crazy, I just can't, I don't feel comfortable taking a position here until, oh, let's see Tesla before I keep talking. Yep, there's Tesla starting to sell off. I just don't think I feel comfortable taking a position, you know, on anything until I have some clear direction. I just don't want to force it. It's Money Monday, baby. I'm not trying to end, you know, start the week off red, not end the week red. Start the week off red. I'd be happy, you know, tacking on a little bit of profit here and there. Make a couple $100 buckaroos. Nothing crazy. After Friday, I'm like, all right, man, I'm going to take a step back. Oh, my, ladies and gentlemen, I got to stop talking and just trade. I got to stop talking and just trade, guys. Potentially Tesla underneath 450, guys. What are you guys thinking? Tesla underneath 450? Oh, Nvidia. Nvidia underneath 450. Light size because we all know the stock is crazy. I don't know, man. I just feel like there's a lot of upside potential here on Nvidia. Those contracts are super. I would do the 362 50s or about $100. I don't know how volatile these things are right now. I mean, Nvidia gets crazy volatile, and that's my issue. I take AMD. Oh, man, ladies and gentlemen, this is going crazy to the downside, guys. Oh, man, this is nuts. I got stopped out. Okay. Hey, at least you had your stop loss, man. At least you had your stop loss place. That's good. I'm glad you had your stop loss place. I mean, yeah, it's just, they're going crazy to the downside right now. I'm in no positions, ladies and gentlemen. Rewind. Hands are up. No positions for myself. Waiting and watching here. All right, right here's the trend line. All right, the downtrend, excuse me. Holding up well. Here goes AMD to the downside, starting to crack. Guys, I almost want to take AMD, not Nvidia. Nvidia underneath 450 isn't bad. But AMD right now is getting crazy to the downside, guys. I just think Nvidia has some support here. Oh, man. Well, AMD has nothing, bro. AMD's like, guys, guys, just do what you want with me. Do away with me. So, AMD, I want to see this thing hold below its trend line and start to push 106.16 for that new low a day. And that new push into 106. Bang it out, baby. See what we can get. All right. You could be looking for a dip buy right here if it holds its trend line. It's starting to hold it a little bit. If it starts to crack and break, though, you have a tight stop. It may be of 2.5. Right at this low here. If it starts to break that, come down, maybe 106 flat. You can do the 106 flat level if you have that much room, you know, wiggle room. Do you have 35 cents of wiggle room? Well, take an amount of contracts that you do. Quick tips from YB. So, chilling out. I'm not looking, I'm looking more short side here, though. Potential trap pattern coming in. Trap pattern coming in here. Starting to look good. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Trap pattern to the downside. Starting to punch it in underneath the trend line now. Nvidia touching its view up. I want to see. Okay. All right. Rewind. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, I almost want to get filled here. I just want to be cautious. All right, guys. I'm about to get filled here beneath that low a day. I don't like chasing, guys. I feel like I'm chasing. But I know this thing can just keep going. Can S&P keep going to the downside? We're going to see. Not anything myself. Look at that. Nvidia's bouncing. So these could be the lows. This thing just showed off super heavy here on S&P. It can keep going. We know the S&P can continue to rip and run to the downside. It just had its upside push right there. We've seen days and days of just falling and shooting down. So it can continue. So waiting and watching here. I almost just want to see the 106 level, right? I know it's like I'm just pushing it off. It's like, okay, the low a day. Low a day is not looking too good. Okay, now the 106 level, right? It's like I'm waiting due to the fact that if S&P continue, I just want to give it some time because if S&P rips here, runs, I think it's going to pull AMD up a little bit. I think AMD wants to come down, but I think it's going to affect it a little bit, right? You guys agree? You guys agree with that? That if S&P jumps back up to 437.15, AMD is going to go to the top side? But if it continues to fall, baby, AMD got nowhere to go. So waiting and watching. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. S&P continuing to fall here, guys. I might get filled on a light size right beneath that 106 level. Potential dip buy right at 106, though. I like that it didn't break. That's my big thing. It did not break. Came down to 0.1 and didn't break. That's what I love to see. There we go. Nvidia holding strong, guys. Honestly, I don't think Nvidia is really going to come down too much today. I think it's going to go topside. Even if S&P continues to fall, it's going to hold its gains, I feel like. I feel like it's going to hold what it has going on. I think Nvidia could be one of those stocks in the next coming years with all the AI, all the technology coming out, that they could be one of the, you know, let's just say definitely one of the leading tech companies in the world if they're not already. You know what I mean? They're definitely out there for it. You know. So any green or red here would be pretty good looking, actually. AMD is starting to get cute. AMD is starting to get a little, good looking. What's going on with you, baby? So chilling out. But AMD, if that thing can break 106, we're gonna get crazy. All right, let's see. Let's see what can happen here. Waiting and watching, guys. There it is, guys. Waiting on a slight pullback to see if it breaks 106 again to the top side. Waiting and watching, nothing.
Order partially filled.
I'm in now for that sell-off and that dump.
Order
I want to
filled.
see it come down to 7.5 if it can. I want to see it come down to 80, and then we're going to mark 7.5. Those are the 2 points right now I want to see break, and then we'll go from there. All right, we'll go from there if those two break. That's what I want to see happen. So 9.4, getting in right underneath that 106 level. Just waiting and watching here. I'm getting in near lows, I know. But NVIDIA, look at NVIDIA crack all the way back down, ladies and gentlemen. So AMD with the potential sell-off all the way back down to 7.5, all the way back down to 8.1 potentially. I just want to wait and watch. Wait, watch, see. You know, they say, you know, I don't even know what they say, guys. You know, start giving me some analogies, guys. Give me some analogies for this moment right here. Lower high formation down to the downside. Lower high formation to the downside. Coming into play. Whew. So chilling out, waiting and watching, baby. Want this to break 106 again, come into play, and sell off. That's the game plan at hand right now. That's the game plan at hand. Have some confidence here. Having some confidence here. Want to see it come below 106 and start to sell off now, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I'm waiting on. Here she goes. Here she goes to the downside. AMD. Right down and into it. You want to see it now start to hold below 106. If one of these candles can hold right below 106, come into play. One more time. Another lower high formation. Another lower high formation here on AMD, guys. I'm waiting and watching. I know this thing can really sell off. How do you guys feel? What are you guys in? Are you guys in any plays? Are you guys in anything that you guys are like, okay, YB, this is killer. Coming back below 106 now, guys. Let me know. Let me know what you guys are in. Let's have a little conversation. All right? Let's get it popping. So I want to see it below 90 if it can. If it can push below 90 again. 9.2. Let's see it. Let's see it here. 9.2. Starting to push it. Right there. I want to see it push 90. Come below. I like that it's pushing below 106 again. This thing can continue to sell off here. It's just S&P. S&P, it's riding with S&P here. So if S&P sells off, AMD will. You know, we got a lot of, you know, it depends here. We got some, I'm not going to lie, we got lower wicks here, lower shadows in this area right here. But if it breaks these lower shadows and continues to fall, we're good. So looking for some green to red here below 106 for the fourth time. That'd be great. Waiting and watching here. If not, I'll cut it. These plays have the RR ratio. Risk to reward is really, you're waiting for a big sell-off. You're waiting for a big crack here because of these levels. The 106 level below the lower day, starting to come back into play here. If it can crack 106 again, I think it's going to start to really sell off down to 7.5, down to 80. You know, getting those lows coming into play. I think S&P has to continue to sell off, though. If S&P sells off, I think AMD's going to, you know, continue to bite the bush. Bite the bullet, some may say. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to have 2.5 marks. Got the 7.5 and 80. Always some support there. Look at that red candle coming in. That red candle can crack 106, guys. Woo! Just playing it what I see, baby. 06. Let's see it come into play. Let's see like 05, 04, baby. Let me 05. Let's see it. Let's see 05, 04, 03, 02. Let's see it. 01. Come on, baby. Gonna bring it up on the level 2 now as well. Bringing it up on the level 2 now as well. It has to hold below 106. That's the game plan. Hold below 106, pushing these lows, baby. S&P also, guys. S&P below 436.40 could be a potential little short there, a little short of Mundo, I don't know. I'm not gonna say I really got in early. One of these candles just need to hold below 106. That's it. And if they can't, they're gonna continue to push, and I will get out. That would be the dip buy for you guys, and I will get out 100%. No problem with it. Above, I feel like above 2.5. There's just, look at this. Unless this thing starts to really sell off here, it has to sell off. Nope, guys, any green here, I gotta get out. It has to go red. Not gonna give up too much. Not giving up too much. So need the red to push that lower day, old lower day there. Need the red to push the old lower day. There it is, and now push 106 again. If it pushes 106 again, that's when we can really start to see that momentum come in. So looking for 106 to be pushed one more time here. Waiting and watching here. If the higher lows are going to come in, they're going to come in, but I want to see that 106 level come back in, get pushed, and see this thing sell off. Today's an awesome day, guys. I hope you guys are all printing. Hope you guys are all profitable. Hope you guys are all killing it. So you want to see 106 come in one more time here, come below it, and really start to get that sell off, okay? So waiting and watching here. I know we can push 106 here. I know we can. Pushing 106. Like 10 cents off it. 10 cents off 106 here. Let's see it get under 10. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. So close. 4 pennies off it. You want to see it come down to 106 flat and then crack, baby. You want to see it come down to it exactly, crack, dump, sell off, baby. TP. That's the game plan. That's the game plan. Coming down into it. Waiting and watching here. Another lower high. Coming down to 106 again. I want to see 106 crack here. 04, 02, 01, 106. Let's see it. Let's see it. 01. Let's see crack. 02. 01. Let's see it break. So if 106 can come down in here, break like that, starting to break again. Now you want to see this thing start to sell off. If it can hold below, it has to hold below it, or else it's just going to keep acting as support. You want to see it crack below it and hold below it. We need one candle to end below 106. That's the game plan. All right, looks like I'm talking out of my ass, but you guys get it. You guys get the game plan. You guys see what I'm talking about. S&P as well. I need some red on S&P. Guys, we're getting into that choppy momentum. We have a bear flag forming here. All right, we have a big bear flag forming there. Let's see if we can break something like this here on AMD. Just now peeped S&P. S&P needs to start to come down again. If S&P comes down, it's going to force AMD to come down below 106. That'll be it. Waiting and watching, baby. Waiting and watching here on the S&P. I want to see the S&P come back down to 4.5, come down to 40 flat. All right, if it can push beneath these lows here, if it can push beneath these lows, it's just a bear flag pattern forming. We're good to go. I don't want to hold above 2.5 though. I don't really feel confident in it above 2.5. I'll wait for the retest and the break. S&P really starting to come down here. AMD can continue to do the same. It just has to play catch up in a bit. Starting to break it a little bit. It has to come down with S&P here. Has to start to fall like S&P, or else I'm, gonna have to cut it. But as long as it can continue to fall, we're good. Nope, ladies and gentlemen.
Order
getting out there.
partially filled.
So, ladies and gentlemen, got out there, cutting that play off. Why am I cutting it? we're spiking back up. This is the dip buy now at 106. This is not the next leg down. This is now the dip buy. Right here at 436.60. Now the dip buy. We're going to make a U-shaped pattern, I think. Come back up a little bit. Now, hold on. Rewind. Will this happen for the entire day? No. Do I think we can come up a little bit more here? Just a tiny bit more here? Yes. Now that we're breaking something like that, yes, 135% I think. We can come to the 50, the view up to 200. I think if we get up right here, I might go light size to the downside. 106.70. Light size to the downside. Waiting and watching there. Okay? All right, we all agree on that? We have the 200 and the 50 touching. I want to see S&P come up and start to come down. I think we're going to continue to fall today. I'm not going to lie. If we can't get above these points, we're going to continue to fall, baby. And that's what I'm looking for. All right. Now I need a whole lot more caffeine in me for some reason. All right, this coffee ain't doing nothing. I feel like I just woke up, rolled out of bed. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, let me turn the beats up. I know you guys want this. You guys want that 2010 nostalgic songs on? Oh, I got you guys. You have to tell me twice. You guys didn't have to tell me twice. Get hyped while I'm calling. Get your energy up. Give me 1 second.
Show them your flame to the fire. It's spraying like your name on a flyer. They wanna tame your desire, but you light it up, now your aim getting higher.
There we go. Okay. Had to fix a couple things. Woo! Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Get your energy up. Raise through the roof, baby. Now we're good, baby. Let's get it. Hope you guys are loving it. Hope you guys are enjoying it. All right. Get cracked out here. Get cracked. Feel great. All right. Feel awesome, baby. If you guys are a little bit red on the day, not for much longer. We're looking for an amazing player. AMD, don't you dare start coming down yet. AMD, what am I looking for? I am going to start looking for below that 106 level once more. Coming down, baby. NVIDIA, look at that bounce play, guys. What can you do? What can you do about that bounce play? Well, you can ride it. There we go. You can ride the bounce play. You can play along, right? Play its game. If you're playing this game, you got to join it. All right, once a bounce off you up 1, 2, 3 times, below it, it's going to get crazy. Above it, it's just going to keep bouncing, ripping, and running to the top side. So, NVIDIA, right? It could not break 444, guys. I'm thinking about, not with the S&P, man. Not with the S&P. S&P has to come back down. S&P has to come back down. It's so hard to play these points when the S&P is not helping you. You know what I mean? If it's sitting flat, doing its thing, all right, man, you can't really play it. You can't touch it too much. Don't be crazy. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. Guys, how'd you guys feel about, what is it? Well, how'd you guys feel about, anyone here watch Sterling versus O'Malley? Sterling versus O'Malley, anyone here watch it? Anyone here get crazy with me on it? Still watching Spy Puts? Yeah. Yup, same here. I'm still watching Spy Puts right around that 50. I want to see it come down here. I don't think we're going to rip and run all day. I think it's going to, we're going to bite the dust here soon. You didn't watch it? Oh. Oh, man. Oh, you missed something there, Torn Trader. It was awesome. Yeah, fight was sick. Honestly, their fight was like kind of short. Who was it before them? That the two girls that were fighting, Amanda something, and I forget the women's champion right now. She is crazy, man. That girl is nuts. Like just watching her perform was crazy. All right. Yeah, right there it is, yo. It was a great fight. It was a little short, bro. Mally came in, he hit him with the good old, McGregor. How he hit Jose Aldo, man. He mink. That girl got whooped. Oh yeah, dude, she got mollywopped, man. I mean, how do you, it's kind of hard. You know what I mean? It's that girl's a brute. All right. So I'm just putting it out there. That was a good fight, though. That was a good fight. That really was. Good. Congratulations to Sean O'Malley as well, man. That guy. Whew, He's worked for it, I will say. I thought he, you know, I'm not even gonna lie, I wasn't really following him too much, but like, I mean, I don't, you know, I just watched the fight. But I followed him for the last, I'd say 3 to 4 fights he had, knowing that he, you know, he had that one loss coming to play. Other than that, though, dude, he's been crazy crap. Like, it's wild. One of the best in the business right now, man. One of the best in the business. So, yeah, buddy, that's what I'm waiting for. Waiting and watching right now for S&P to come down below. I want to, if S&P cracks, okay, let's see, hold on. On some stock talk. Guys, it's 4.2, 4.4. If it breaks 40, guys, I'm looking at S&P puts. All right, AMD. If AMD cracks this trend line, I might be looking at some AMD puts as well. I can't wait to get back into the future gains, man. Oh man, I want to get my hands on it, and I keep looking at it. I mean, what is it? NQ. Just looking at it, man. It's eyeing me up. Give me, yeah, man. Just give me a weird book. So S&P, I see some resistance right at 437, guys. S&P resistance there. Right here's the channel pattern now, guys. You guys see that? I won't keep this here. I have no idea what I'm doing with that. I thought that I could make it like more transparent, but okay. Apparently not. Alright. That's what it is, guys. Get puts up here in this area. Seeing if it spikes up to the 50. We'll see. Nothing for me right now, though. Nothing in my hands. I'm not getting anything right now. Alright, no fills, baby. No fills. We're chilling. We're chilling, waiting, and watching right now, ladies and gentlemen. So how are you guys feeling right now, man? Whew, how you guys feeling? Alright, I'm feeling pretty good. Alright, I'm feeling pretty great. I'm waiting for this S&P. I could see maybe a little uptrend here as well. If you want to go off that first point, something like that. Waiting and watching. I don't know, guys. I think the S&P has it in it to maybe get a little bit of a push back up, but not to the high of day. I don't think. I don't think all the way up to the high of day. I don't think all the way, you know, anywhere near that. I think maybe up to the VWAP if it's gonna break the 50. I just think more sellers are looking at this than buyers. Buyers came in because of Money Monday coming into play, having a little bit of a spike up. You know, first day of the week, people are getting excited. Boom, baby. Spike it up a little bit. Now we got this perfect M pattern to a sell-off, right? So it's like, whew. Yeah. Rough start for me, down 2K. Trying for S&P break downside at 950, and then of course it breaks lower 20 minutes later, just trying to catch a few more trades. Yeah, and that's what happens. Where is it? 950. Yeah, right here. Look at that downside, pushes up, and then literally not even 20 minutes later, like you said, man, it starts to boom, starts to crack and come down. Yup. And it sucks because that's what happens. It's like a fake out breakout to the downside, right? It's like, oh, we're going, psych. It's like, okay, well, what the hell? You know what I mean? It's like, why is 437, 67 support? It doesn't make sense, but that's what traders make it. It's like, not every point makes sense, and it's kind of it's a pain in the ass, man. So you got it though, bro. On this, especially on this downside, okay? I'm not trying to be biased to the downside here, but it just makes sense if it breaks this low here and it starts to come down, guys. Somebody posted this earlier in the chat, and I couldn't agree more with them when they posted this up. Hold up, let me find it. Let me pull it up. Where's it at? Nope. Wasn't it open?
You are the one thing in my way. You are the one thing in my way. You are the one thing in my way. You are.
Alright, well, I don't know why it's not opening. What's going on here? What's going on here? Give me a second, guys. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Give me 1 second here. Let me let this thing get on, get a little cracked. Alright, let me find it for y'all. It was earlier today. Somebody posted it in the chat. And, oh, this is all, no, wait, is this today? Yeah. Yeah, man, okay. I have it up, I just can't find it. I have it saved. I saved it to my camera roll. Oh, there it is, guys. Oh, duh, it's right here. Okay, guys. So, the worst and the best month of trading. Boom, baby. Someone posted it. June, July, and August being the worst months, which make a lot of sense here, guys. So, June, July, and August being the absolute and utter worst months to trade, which everyone's outside. Everyone's doing, you know, going crazy. Everyone's, you know, partying, you know, living life, having fun. Hey, that's cool. Come September, people are getting back inside. The kid, they're like, oh man, dude, I got 2 kids at home now, man. I fucked up, man. I got another kid on the way, man. Something happened over the summer. I got to trade. Next thing you know, boom, they're coming back in after taking their long vacation or whatnot. Or maybe they worked all year just for that vacation during the summertime, and that's what's happening. You know what I mean? So it makes sense. So that's kind of how I view it as well. The worst month, June, July, August. Best month, September, October, November, December. You know, the okay month is when it starts to warm back up a little bit. You know what I mean? Not saying January is warm, but traders have already traded for 4 months. They're getting a little crazy. Yeah, it happens. That's how they get you. But it's all about pushing on. Yeah, buddy. It is indeed. It is indeed, man. We got it, man. Woo. Markets tend to follow the school year. Slow in summer and around holidays. Yeah. Yeah, because, I mean, and especially because a lot of traders have kids, too. So it's like, it does make sense. A lot of traders have kids coming into play. Guys, I'm looking at AMD here, potentially put side. All right, you guys can take S&P as well to the downside, but AMD coming down. I'm waiting and watching here, guys. I'm not going to punch it in on that first crack yet. I almost want to see it come down to the 80 levels, okay? I want to see it break 90, at least break 90 for me, and especially one candle close below. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. There's your one candle close below. Waiting here. There it goes, guys. Starting to push those lows.
Order partially
Guys, I'm
filled.
getting filled for that crack of 80.
Order filled.
But yeah, so everyone has kids. Everyone's doing this and that. It's just, you just gotta, you really wait, watch, and, you know, see how the market reacts. You know, when their kids go back to school, they can start trading again. This summer, though, they've been going crazy. They got 2-year-olds at home. They're trying to take care of. Can't really let them go too much. Okay, guys. So I don't really want to see this spike back up. If it does, I'll probably stop trading it. I won't trade the 106 crack again. But if this thing wants to dump off back down to 8.3, 8.2, I mean, I'm down for it. I'll probably trade S&P starting to break, guys. I might just cut this now. I'm not down a lot. I'm down like 2%. It could fall here, but I just don't. I don't know, man. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna cut it. I'm
Order
gonna cut
filled.
it. Guys, cutting that trade. Guys, I'm in below the 106. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the 106 dump, the 106 sell-off. It's coming. It is coming. But S&P has to break its low here. If S&P can't break the low and it's going to continue to channel and it's going to continue to just, look at this, guys. Right here's the channel pattern. Comes up here, right here, just dumps off. Comes down here, buy in. I might even take some puts up here and ride it to the 50-day, right? It's just because I'm in and I'm out. It's just, once again, we're getting in one of those slower days, and I can't wait for this market to heat back up, guys. I really can't. It is just taking a long time. But the second this market heats back up, guys, we're going to be printing. All right, smooth seas never raise a skilled sailor, baby. And we have been in some non-smooth seas recently. Like, it's crazy how bad this summer has been, man. We all can admit. It has been choppy. Volume's been light. Everything has just been kind of going sideways now, starting to push to the downside, starting to push to the top side. Like, you know, it's just, it'll push, chop, push, chop, push, chop, and then it's like, we're finally getting that move to the downside, and now we're starting to chop a little bit. You know what I mean? It's like we're ranging almost, you know? So, I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Call me crazy. Summer low volume, so market tends to float around, usually upside. Yeah, that's really it. That's really it. If we go back to a, screw it. Let's go back to a daily. Look at this. It's just been kind of floating to the top side, but this isn't very clean. This looks clean. It's really not. If you guys have been trading all summer, you guys know it's really not that clean price action. This is the cleanest price action we had in a minute. Or like CPI data days, those are clean, but they happen pre-market a lot of times. So it's kind of hard. When I babysit my 1-year-old nephew, I trade with him. Oh yeah? Do you? Who's the better trader? Woo! If he's getting trained by Grambo, I don't know, man. He might be pushing it. He might be pushing it. That 1-year-old man. If he getting crazy, he'll hit you with, he is no fear on his part. He buys everything. Okay. Alright, we don't mess with those guys. We don't mess with those guys. You're right. Yup. A guy with zero fear in the market is a guy that's going to make enough money to... By 3 years old, he's going to be a multi-millionaire. Hold on. They're going to ask him, how'd you get your start? What happened? He's going to be like, when I was 1 year old, a man by the name of Grambo taught me how to trade, and it took off from there. To be honest, it's easy. Right? I just look at the chart, and I hit buy. Well, what's your strategy? That is the strategy. It's like, what? It's like, yeah. Don't mess around. Buy everything. So. He's going to be financial literature by 5. Oh, that's awesome. He's going to be talking, dude, he's going to be in elementary school or, you know, whatever it'll be. You know, hopefully, yeah, we're not even going to go there, man. School's getting crazy these days. I don't even know what's going on in them things. But, he's going to be in there. Other people are going to be talking about, like, oh, Sally thinks you're cute. Like, you think I care about Sally? I'm trying to be a millionaire. All right, hard work motivates you. We lifting weights by 3. I get it. I get you. Set him up for success, huh? I like it. So chilling out here, waiting. Nvidia bouncing here. He will be streaming in class, 1st grade. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Teacher's like, turn that off. Me, I'm trying to make a living. That'd be great. Nah, I'm just kidding. That's awesome, though. I mean, whew. I'm glad you're getting him straight. I'm sure. Oh wait, he's 1 year old. Wait, he doesn't even understand what you're saying, right? Or I've never had a 1 year old. But wait a minute. Rewind here, Grambo. Hold on, buddy. Wait, hold on. Wait, how am I just now picking this up? That guy probably doesn't understand a thing you're saying right now. Now, once again, I've never had a 1 year old, so like, correct me if I'm wrong. But or Grambo's like, oh, he knows telepathically. Like, we're on that level. He's like. I don't know why for a second I thought that he like would actually be trading, bro. Like he's like, I'm like, wait a minute, rewind. I'm like, hold up. There we go. Yeah, I had to think about that one for a second. I'm like, wait a minute. Nah, that's pretty funny though. Woo. So, ladies and gentlemen, killing the game, baby. Let's see it. I'm looking for some red to come in here on S&P. I'm looking to trade S&P, I guess. I'm going to kind of, like I said, I don't know. I don't really like AMD's following the S&P. I don't know. Let's look at Tesla, man. Tesla always prints. Harder he hits the buy button, the more the stock goes up. Okay, never mind. There you go. All right, I like it. I love to hear it. Especially when he'll start yelling at it. Yeah, buddy. He'll just start screaming at it, man. And it'll just start going up, and you're looking at him like, hey, stop. Never mind, keep doing that. It's going up. Imagine you leave your setup open, Grambo. He comes in, accidentally clicks buy on like a penny stock of like 10,000 shares or something, man. Right, you go over to him, you're about to put him in the, you know what I mean, bed while you're about to go trade or something, let him go take a nap. You look over and you're up like $27,000 or something, bro. And you're gonna be like, what in the world is going on? You sell out and then you realize, you go back to the footage, maybe you have like a little baby monitoring cam. You go see that he clicked buy and gave you $27,000. You know what I'm doing? I'm gonna go get him a new crib. Yeah. This one's gonna be, it's gonna look like a Rolls Royce, alright? His crib's gonna look like a Rolls Royce, okay? It's gonna have the wheels on it too. The pillows are gonna be made out of authentic pig leather, okay? Alright, it's gonna be made out of authentic leather. The cover's gonna be a cobra cover, right? From a snake, sure. Alright. I'll put it in his college fund. You know what? Actually, that's a better idea. I don't know why I didn't even think about that. I'm a dirtbag. You know what? I'm a dirtbag because that didn't even come to my head. You know what, Grambo? You're a good guy. You're a good guy, Grambo. so you beat me there. Okay, you'll put it in his college fund. All right, that's actually good. That's great. I love to hear that, actually, man. I don't know why I'm thinking about I'll deck his crib out in a Rolls Royce. Get him a Rolls Royce themed crib with some nice leather pillows and everything. No, all right, college fund. Yeah, that's probably even more helpful. You know? Yeah. Okay. Well, guys. So waiting on the S&P. Just chilling out. Just gonna see what happens here. Okay. You know what? Just gonna see what happens here. Gonna see what happens on AMD, S&P. AMD below 106. I'm not interested in. I'm not interested in until S&P cracks, guys. Even if it, oh man, guys, it is so tempting. It looks so good below 106, guys. I think one of these times it is gonna crack. But it has continuously bounced guys, why is it the one time I don't take it? Woo! What's up, J-Chan? What is up, my man? Hope you're having a great day. Guys, I almost want to get a dip buy here, guys. I almost want to, like, you could buy calls here on AMD. All the way down to 7.5. Right there it was. Look at that wick, guys. Oh, man. Yo, that is a 35-cent wick. Excuse me, 25-cent wick. Woo. Get us out of this SPY channel. Dude, oh, man, okay. All right, let's all focus up. Let's all focus our energies up. Hold up. I got you guys. Okay, here we go. Maybe something like this. You guys ready for this? August 21st, 2023. YB took on the market, looking it straight in the eyes, with absolutely no fear in mind. Looking for S&P to crack. Looking for S&P to come out of the channel. He looked it, grabbed it. He said, break this channel, Crowder, you little... Yeah! And here it goes. Okay, guys. I hope that was intense enough for you. Sorry, that was short-lived, guys. That was short-lived. I thought there was gonna be like a beat drop coming into play like really soon, but it just didn't happen. So there you go. And it didn't even break. Break S&P. Break to the top side. Break to the downside. I don't care which way. Just get out of this channel pattern. Spike above your 50-day EMA. Spike above it. Just rip and run. Go up, baby. Just go crazy. Get out of this little pattern. Yeah. It's too strong. Yeah. All right, guys. I tried my best. I raised it about 2 cents if that counts. Here's the channel pattern. I got it about 2 cents out of there, guys. I did it, guys. Round of applause. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for me. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Hold on. There we go. Oh, is this like an actual song? Why is there an actual song called Round of Applause? Okay. Hold on. I got it out by 2 cents, ladies and gentlemen. By 2 cents. Are you guys happy of me? Are you guys happy for me? Yeah? There it goes. Guys, let's see if it breaks to the top side here above the 50. Ladies and gentlemen, I know it's because of me. I know you guys are all, happy. You guys are all happy for me. I know. You can take one good look. You guys can clap if you want. You guys can clap. You guys don't have to clap, but if you want to clap, you can. I got it out by 2 pennies. Stop it. It's okay. No, keep it going. Keep it going, though. Keep it going. Yup. Keep it going. Thank you. You guys can settle down a little bit now. Okay, thank you. Yeah, man. Woo. I like the effort. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Yep, I tried my best. Yeah. It hit the 50, and perfect right there. What is it? So this is kind of what I've been saying. All right, hold on. Let me turn some of this back on. Oh, okay, that's fine. Okay, now we gotta. Anyways, coming up to the 50-day, if it does not have that momentum and the strength to push through, you guys can get puts here, and there's nothing wrong with getting puts there. All right. Because right here, 1 wick, 2 wick, 3 wick, 4 wick, now 5 wicks, came about to like 3-4 pennies out. All right, like 2 pennies out. Tried my best to make that thing go up, just didn't work. I just wanted to move either direction, man. I don't even care. All right, so as you can tell by AMD as well, we're getting a bit choppy. All right, so waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. Woo. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy, ladies and gentlemen. Woo. So, if you guys are green on today, I hope you guys are killing it, baby. I hope you guys are looking at this market dead in the eyes going, damn. You know, first off, YB's really good looking. I know that. I know you guys are all really good looking. You know why? So, guys, this is a weird thing. And for anyone here on YouTube as well, anyone on YouTube watching, guys, hey, it's just this really weird phenomenon that no matter what happens, you're always still good looking if you're on TradeCaster, guys. You lose $10,000, you make $100,000. You know what happens? You're still good looking. Right? Right? Okay, glad we got that settled. Anyways, no. But it did come up to the 50. It touched now twice now. Listen, we got this higher low trend line forming, higher low formation starting to come up into play. What am I looking to happen here? What am I looking for? Either it to completely start to sell off and come back down to the low 436s, below, 436.50, and push 436.40, which I'll potentially take some puts. AMD, you can take puts up here at the 50-day. Just cracked up and into it. These are the simpler plays. You got to go lighter size though. So if you're taking it here at the 50, go lighter size, and then I don't know, because the view up in the 200, it definitely is going to reverse off of. But look at how much room that is. That's about 50 cents, right? So if you go lighter size here, you're looking for bigger percent gain. So if it comes back down to, you're making 50 cents. So you're risking, essentially, your RR is 1-to-1. It's the same, right? You can make 50 cents or you're risking 50 cents. Your choice, or cut it when it cracks to 50 and get back in up here and don't even risk that much. You know what I mean? Just let that thing go all the way up, baby. Get in right up here. Get puts. Now you got $1 gain. And your risk is essentially, what is that? 20 cents above. I usually just go 20 cents above him. So $1 to 20 cents. What is that? An 8-2 RR. Yeah, buddy. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what we're looking at. All right, that's what we're looking forward to. I'm looking forward to this crack, this Dumper Ruski, if it wants to come into play. All right, AMD. You know, I'm not really happy with you right now, AMD. I'm not gonna lie. Me and AMD are kind of on bad terms. You know, I mean, we were perfectly fine, and I looked over at S&P one time, and now it's starting to act funny with me. You know, it just doesn't want to break 106. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Look at this 1 wick, 2 wick, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wicks in between 106. Guys, it's playing with me. Okay. S&P, another 50-day touch coming down, guys. If it can break, I'm telling you, AMD's gonna break hard. Will it break though? Yeah, we're gonna see. What's up, Ryan? What's up, Ryan? I hope you're having a great day, man. Woo! Hope you're killing it, baby. You're killing this market. You're getting a bit crazy. I hope you're getting wild with us. So another break of 106 and another wick, guys. Honestly, just get your calls loaded up. All right, scalp the crap out of this. Scalp the crap out of the low. What is this? I would say 436.50 and under. As long as it doesn't break 436.40. Hey, man. Hey, man. You guys do you, but it seems to not be able to hold beneath right here. As you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seems to not be able to hold beneath 106, and that's a big range, baby. That's a big range. So I'm like, whoa, buddy. Whoa, buddy, let's calm down. Woo! Always you too, bro? Yeah, buddy. We're doing great. We're doing. All right, that's what matters. All right, we're chilling out today. Nothing too crazy. What's up, Tebow? What's up, Tebow? Hope you're having an amazing day too. Hope you guys are all profitable, killing it, baby. Woo! God, we're getting a squad up in here. All right, we're getting a whole crew. We're getting everyone up in here. We're getting packing. Hey. Oh yeah, buddy. So coming down to 106 now, ladies and gentlemen. Coming down to 106. I want to see this thing start to crack. I want to see this thing start to break below it. All right. Get a little bit crazy on us. It cracked 106, dropped 25 cents, guys. Take a look. 25 cents and ended up wicking back up. Are we crazy? What kind of nonsense is this, man? So I'm not against puts underneath 106, but it would have to be almost 106.75. Here it comes, ladies and gentlemen. I'm more interested in S&P though. I want S&P to crack. If S&P cracks its low a day and can, oh no, rewind. Cracks its low a day and can hold below its low a day, I'd be a lot more interested. We've been in this little bear flag channel pattern, oh man, for a little while now. It's been since right around 10:24. What time is it? About 11:10. So what is that? What about like 35 40 minutes almost. Here comes S&P, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes S&P. I'll take it with light size though. Light size I'll take it with, because this is, your RR ratio is as low as the S&P can go, but you have to be cautious due to the fact that it could wick here and start to spike back up. My stop loss is probably going to be back in the channel pattern. I'm not going to let it go back up to the high day. High day. High of this channel pattern, aka the 50 day. I would not let it go to the 50 day. Okay, hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Loading it up, starting to crack now. It's starting to crack, ladies and gentlemen. I'll load up 5 contracts to the downside. Getting there, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the crack you want.
Order
Alright, I'm
filled.
in right now. I'm in for that crack, that dump Ruski below, what is that, 20? I just want to see it continue to rip and run to the downside. I just want to see it hold. The big thing is hold. Hold below. Alright, now we're getting some momentum here. Coming out of the squeeze here on the TTM. So now you just want to see it. Sorry, I think a weird feeling in my arm there. Just want to see this thing continue to crack. Dumper Ruski down. So I'm gonna make a little point there below 20. Once again, this is what you don't want to see it come back in the channel pattern. Some green to red here below would push AMD down as well. So it would push AMD below 7.5, excuse me, and get a little crazy on us, okay? So you want to see this thing continue to fall, rip, run to the downside. And that's it, baby. That's all we do around here. All right, we wait and we watch, baby. Tesla right here. Tesla below 222. Oh, right here, guys. Hold up, below its view up. Starting to crack down. Guys, this thing could really start to sell off here. Ladies and gentlemen, if S&P can really start to sell off and push this market to the downside, guys. I'm not even going to lie with you. I'm being 100% honest. S&P, as long as it does not get this little dip by, it comes down, continues to push these lows, this entire market can continue to fall. Okay? I want to see Tesla below this little, my point here. And that'll be it. Alright, so I hope you guys are loving today. I hope you guys are killing today, killing this market, killing everything about it. Alright, I want to see another little upwick come down to this 30 point. I want to see it break now. Alright, break that little 30 point right there. Let's put a little line there. Break that there. Go green to red and come down. Alright, 2-3. 2-3 level, baby. Let's see you punch it in, S&P. Down to the 2-3 below. All the way down to 18, 20. Let's see you come down here. Woo. Let's bring you up. What's up? You think Nvidia could drop here? TTT Life? Wow, MRNN on a rip? Okay, hold on. Give me a second. TT, what do you say? What is it? You think Nvidia could rip or wait, could drop soon? Oh, is it below the 50? Yes, 100%. 100%. It's below its view up finally. Coming down below the 450 level. It has to hold below the 450 level though. That is going to be the point of support there. Same with the S&P. The S&P has to hold below this channel pattern here. Coming back into play here. I like it as long as it can break 436.30. If it breaks 30, guys, watch out. Let's see this thing come down. Starting to break 30, starting to come down. Could punch in a new low a day here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking for 20 to break. I'm looking for 20 to break. I want to hold these lows and break 20. That's the game plan. Hold the lows and break 20. Waiting to watch him right now, guys. Gonna bring it up on the level 2. Gonna bring it up on the level 2. I want to see it hold below 30, break 20. That's the game plan. Holding below 30. Let's see it break 20, guys. Let's see it break 20. Hands are up. 21, 20, 17. Starting to break 20, ladies and gentlemen. This is what you were looking for. This is what you were looking for now. Now you want the sell-off to continue to rip and run to the downside. You want to see some green to red. Hold below. Came down to 15. It has room down to 436 now, guys. You're looking for green to red. Down to 436, baby. Let's turn this up, baby. I like this. You guys like this music? So, there it is. mRNA, you said, is going crazy. So, there's Nvidia there. Tesla dump would be crazy. Oh man, I need S&P to sell off here. I don't like being in 2 positions at once, but dude, Tesla looks so good. Guys, Tesla looks so good to the downside. I might have to get involved. I do not like being in 2 positions at once. But guys, Tesla dump looks crazy good here. Especially with S&P coming down here, guys, they could both work out. They could both work out. It's punching below 20 again. Guys, oh man. I need this, especially Tesla holding those lows. I might look for maybe 3 contracts, something lighter, just so I'm not anything crazy. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, it's starting to really come down now. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. There it is on S&P, guys. I didn't take it on Tesla. Guys, starting to crack 436, coming down below the trend line. Now we have room to go. Now we have some real room to rip and run to the downside, start to really sell off. Get that crack down to 87.5. Gonna mark the 80 point right there. There it is right there. So you want to see these hold these lows, come back down below 436 and punch it in, baby. That's the game plan here. There's that Tesla dump. Tesla could go crazy here, guys. Tesla has a lot of room to fall. Coming back down to the 436 level, guys. Woo! mRNA. I want to take a look at mRNA. Nvidia down as well. mRNA. mRNA is going crazy. Isn't this? That's biomedical, isn't it? I want to keep Nvidia up, sadly, though. mRNA, though, going crazy. I want to see this 436 break one more time here on S&P. There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, let this thing continue to soar to the downside, down to the 80, down to the 7.5. Has room to go now that it's breaking its auto trend line. Has room to go now that it's breaking its auto trend line, guys. There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, give yourself a round of applause if you guys are in on this. Give yourself a fat round of applause. Come on down, baby. Let's see that 80 break now. All right. You want to see the 80 break? Then I'll talk about, what is it, percent-wise and everything. So I want to see the 80 break, though. I want to see this hold these lows, push 80, and continue to fall. Then you're looking at 7.5. Let me mark that here. 7.5. Those are the 2 points of potential support. All right, you want them to continue to sell off, continue to crack. Coming down to it once more. Let's see it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see it here. So coming down to 80 now, baby. 8.7. Pushing it in. 7 cents off right there. 8.7. So close. So close, guys. You guys want to be cautious in this area. Make sure to lock up your profit. Oh, I don't even have the contracts up. 436 points. Got him. 436 right there. Starting to get a quick little bounce. You want to see it go red here below 436 once more, if that's what you're looking for. You want to see green to red. That's the game plan there. Green to red on this candle, indicating some selling off. Bearish engulfment, baby, coming into play. All right. Green to red. Green to red there. Could potentially start selling off to 436.80 again. Okay. So waiting and watching right now for that potential sell-off down to 436.80 level. Getting right down and into it. Selling off. Let's see if we can sell off down to 436.80. 436.80. 435.80. Excuse me. I keep saying 436.80. 435.80. 435.80 is the level I'm looking for. I want to see what happens when it gets down there. If it can get down there, I'll probably TP on some. So give me a second, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are taking your profit. All right. I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell 2.
Order filled.
Selling 2, holding 3. Holding 3 for that breakout to the downside. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. If it breaks this old low here, 435.9, what is that? Let me check real quick. 9.1. You want to see the red come in, go down to 80. That's the game plan. All right, you don't want to see it go too green here. You want to see the red come in and go down to 80. Stop loss coming into play here soon.
Order
Guys, selling
partially filled.
out of that now. Guys,
Order filled.
oh, I'm still in on 1. Excuse me, I'm still in on 1. Still holding 1 here. Holding 1 runner, essentially. We're going to see. If we go green or red, you're good. I meant to get out of the full position there. I'll probably just cut it in a quick second there. All right, I'll sell out. I'm good. I'm good on that. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, there you go, though. Tesla off its 200, though. You got to be cautious. So that was the sell-off you were looking for now. Why? Here's this big channel pattern. It just keeps channeling. And you guys can hold this as long as this trend line holds. Oh, it's kind of like breaking right now as I say that. But I'm looking at Tesla, I guess, below its 200. I'm going to type up Tesla. Tesla below its 200 is a... Oh, it looks so good to me. We had that sell-off from 225. What is that, 80 levels? Woo! Yeah, buddy. So, I hope you guys caught that. That was about 17%, baby. All right, I took about 10. Caught like 65%, 65 cents on SPY. I'm out. Done for the day. Forbes, baby. Forbes printing. Woo! I love to see it. I love to see it, man. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! We're going to keep them rolling. All right. I'm hyped for you guys. I'm hyped that you guys are here. You guys are printing, profiting, getting it all in. Now, Nvidia here. What's my thing with Nvidia? What is my only concern? Nvidia's a monster, man. Nvidia's one of those stocks that just doesn't seem to want to quit. You know what I mean? You ever have a stock that you look at and you're like, it just doesn't want to quit? So if you go short underneath this 200, do you have room to fill to the downside? Yes. Same thing with Tesla, I feel like. Tesla has room to go to the downside. Look at that, guys. So, will it, though, is a real question at hand. Now, will it go beneath, you know, the 200 and really start to crack and sell off? Yeah, you know, man, you know, we like to play games, okay? All right. Whew. Have I talked to Sean about my stream delay? I did. He said that, okay, hold on. Let me see if I can do this right now for you guys. I don't know if I can. I did. He said something about on YouTube I could do something. Let me see if I can. Hold on. I think also AK helped me out there big time. He gave me a setting, but I forget where it was. Hold on. No, I need to look at. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Stream. Something like that. Here it is. Okay, maybe. Create go. Okay, hold on. Now we're getting somewhere. Hold up, guys. I might be able to fix this latency. Create. Where's your create? There's no create button. What are they talking about? I don't have that. Okay, hold on. Go to YouTube Studios from the top right. Click. Oh, the top right. Oh, what? Bro, that helps out so much. Oh, that makes it so much different, guys. Okay, I think I can only do that when I'm offline, guys. Hold up. Oh, that makes so much sense. Guys, I'm cracked, ladies and gentlemen. We got this figured out, ladies and gentlemen. Hold up. Okay. Alright, we're good. Next stream, just so I don't have to close this out. Next stream, the latency will be different. Oh, that's so much different. Oh, man, you just helped me out so much, Forbes. Thank you for that little reminder there. I was like, dude, like, I thought, you know, oh, man, okay. Woo! I'm feeling good, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, I'm gonna take a little sip of the coffee. Join me, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, I want everyone in here right now. Give me my last little joke here. Give me. Are we not all elegant people, right? Are we not all elegant individuals? Some prime individuals, some may say. Correct. Correct me if I'm wrong, but. Correct me if I'm wrong, but. Is this not how we do it around here? Yeah, buddy. Tesla coming down to its 200. I'm gonna take it right below it. Ladies and gentlemen. Give me a second. I got Tesla loaded up. I got a 101. I got 5 of them below that 200. Get your coffee. Get your tea.
Let there be you.
Get your crumpets.
Let there be me.
All right. We all agree?
Let there be oysters under the sea. Let there be wind.
Let there be prophets. Let there be green days.
An occasional rain. Chili con carne.
Woo. So you guys get the vibe. All right, we're all elegant people. Elegant individuals. And underneath that 200, Tesla's going to look very elegant to the downside, baby. So that's what I'm hoping on. It can't seem to crack it. I love it. I love that I can't crack it. Why? That means it's support, guys. Woo. Have you talked? Oh, okay. I'll refresh and see if, what is it? I'll refresh and see if it's any different. Probably won't be until tomorrow when you restart your stream. Yeah. So that's the game plan. Tomorrow, I'll restart. Once I start the stream up, I'll start it on the YouTube Create instead of just a live platform. Coming into play there, you know what's going to happen, guys? You guys already know what's going to happen. It's going to get crazy, all right? We're going to have stream delay down to 9 seconds. Meaning I'm going to be able to have a full-fledged conversation with you guys and not sit here being like, you guys take that trade? You guys take that one? Give me a good yeah, buddy, if you took that one. Me sitting here for 30 seconds like, damn, nobody said YB. No, nobody said yeah, buddy. Nobody took the trade with me. Okay, let's see what it is. All right. Then 30 seconds later, I get, yeah, buddy. I get, woo! Stop, and then I'm like, okay, good. It's like, all right. So I think the lowest we can go is down to 9 seconds. Right now, it's at normal latency. So we're gonna go down to ultra low. I can go ultra low, ladies and gentlemen. Stop playing with me, bro. I can go to ultra low. Oh yeah. I like it, guys. I like it. We're good to go. Ultra low, guys. Underneath 436 on the S&P, we could continue to see this falling. We could continue to see this ripping and run to the downside. You guys get it. All right, chilling out right now. Do any of you guys have anything you're looking at? Any tickers you're looking at? Anything, you know, any penny stocks? Any I don't know, blue chips, I guess, that are ripping and running? I know. What is it? Fits the vibe very well. No, you're right. Yeah, buddy. mRNA. So let me take another look at mRNA here. I know Torn put this up here. What is it? I almost called him Torn. Torn put this up here. Torn Trader. mRNA 109.89. I want to see 110.89. If I were to even look at this stock, it would probably be to the short side below its 50-day. Right? As it's been spiking up so much, I would, and the reason it's been spiking up, did it have earnings or something come out? Is that that could be a valid reason? No earnings. This is spiking up. Will the beers deliver the knockout? Prepare for the upcoming week with 819 MW as COVID hospitalization rises. Something, what is it? Monitor say update shots. So this is still in the medical field here. So I'm not big into the medical field there, but playing Nvidia this week with earnings. Nvidia earnings, oh man, I might take a little gamble. It's a gamble. You know, I didn't even bet on the Sean O'Malley fight, man. I mean the fight. I didn't even bet. You know what I bet? I bet you know, my little girly friend or whatnot, you know, I bet her an energy drink. You know, at first I was like, all right, let's do it. You know, let's do it. Let's see. I take her out to dinner, right? If you know, Sterling won, and she owed me an energy drink. If, you know, O'Malley won. And O'Malley did it in 2, baby. So that energy drink, baby, I still haven't gotten it. So I'm kind of upset. She hasn't paid her dues yet, but it's okay. You know, still trying to make up for it. So I don't like gambling much. All right, that's where I was getting with that. I don't like gambling much, but you know, yeah. Got Sean plus 220. I know, would have been crazy if I bet on Suga. Oh man, like that's what I was saying. So. He was even the underdog, and he knocked him out in 2, right? Like, it was crazy. If you guys seen Deck on Twitter, go take a look at that, guys. He almost put 25K up, and he almost made 50. You know what I mean? I was like, damn, bro. I would have put up just, you know, I was thinking about putting a small bet up of like $500, like $1,000, but I don't like gambling, because I would have felt dumb if, like, come the nighttime, right after the fight, you know, O'Malley gets slumped. I just watched him got knocked out, and I just watched $500 to $1,000 crumble beneath my fingertips. It's like, dude, no, I'm not a big, I play some blackjack, don't get me wrong. All right, do a couple card counting. All right, I'll do some of that, but you got me screwed up if you think I'm gonna throw up some money there on a fight. What is it? Got Sean plus 220? Did you get it, Forbes? Did you actually? Adam, man, bro, if you took that, dude, it was crazy. The bank payout was honestly amazing. It was like, I mean, I don't know, it was crazy. You gotta think about it, dude. So let's say you put in $100, then you get $300 back. You put in, you know, Deck putting in 25,000, he got 75,000 back. So he essentially made 50K, right? Only putting up 25 for him being the underdog. That's crazy. I didn't even know he was the underdog. I thought he was, you know. He's 16-1. Now he's 17-1, but he was 16-1. That's crazy. Some of you guys are like, dude, I don't give a rat's, you know what I mean, about, you know, who cares? All right, it's a fight. And me personally, to those guys say, all right, you're kind of right, man. I know. You know, it's really not that big of a deal, but still, all right. It's another way to make income, technically, if you're good at it. I mean, sports betting. This guy, nah, man. I couldn't tell you if the Eagles were going to win the Super Bowl, even when they're up 30 points. You know what I mean? I'm a Sugar Ray, I'm a Sugar fan, but still don't think he was going to win. Yeah, that's, yup. I mean, yay, that's how it is. It's like, you go in there, you look at Sterling, you look at him, you go, shit, boys. Oh, no, man, I don't know about this one. Then bada bing, bada boom, baby. So here it comes. What is it? Tesla's starting to come down a little bit. Tesla, I'm looking for that crack. Your mask mandates will come back end of September, October. Hospitals in New York and Canada are already starting to re-implement mask mandates. Oh, okay, is that what it was there, Grambo? Is that what the rip on mRNA was? Yeah. Yeah, me and my boys all bet on him together. Winning with a group of friends together is the best. I'm out for the day. See you boys tomorrow. See you, Forbes. And yes, sir, that is, man, because you guys all win. You guys are probably going crazy and stuff. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Miguel, I'm just gonna say Miguel. I like it. I got you, buddy. Can I check on CBNA? Yeah, man. Got you there, man. CBNA. Look at that. Another bounce off that 50, guys. Nothing for myself right now. Waiting and watching. CBNA, I would honestly look at this. It seems to be double bottomed here. Right at that 38.25 point. You could look for a sell-off beneath it. It's been selling off all day. You could potentially look at a VWAP 200. I don't know about this 50, but I would say right around VWAP 200, you could look for a, a reversal play. Look for puts up here, like this right here, Tesla. Right at that 50-day, seeing if it reverses here. Go light size, though, because there's so much room above it. You don't have anything. You don't have room. You want to sell the second it gets, above it. That's what I'm saying, essentially. So take it as you will. I would still take it with lighter size here, just because I don't know how CBNA works, and I mean I don't know how the contracts are on that. If you're trading contracts, it's going to be a little bit different than if you're trading shares. The contracts, the spread's a bit, it's a bit crazy, I guess. I know that the contract spreads on those aren't the best, but so if I were you, I would take it with shares if you can. Yeah. So that's my thoughts on CBNA. Not bad, though. Not a bad short, though. Not a bad short. If you're trying to go long, wait for it to break the 200 in the view up here and spike. Because then you got room to go, baby. You got room to rip. Run. Woo! Yeah, buddy. So, guys. Hope you guys are loving today. Hope you guys are killing today. Getting the vibes high. Getting the energy flowing. You guys already know what I'm saying, man. If I don't take another trade today, I don't know. I don't really know what I'm looking for. I'm the only trade I'm looking at right now, I will let you know, is Tesla to the downside underneath that 200. Oh, you guys hear this, man? Woo. Anyways, Tesla underneath that 200 to the downside is the only thing I'm looking at. If you guys are looking at any plays, feel free to type in chat. Feel free to let me know, and I'll take a look. I got Trade the Poll open over here, guys. Anyone that usually is here with me for futures or anything, guys, no futures trades, only the one on the day. This is the sim account. This doesn't count or anything. As you can see, I'm a millionaire if this was a real account. Okay, guys? Yeah. Anyways. No, so I'm already up 3,125. I don't even have to trade it anymore. So that's kind of why I'm not trading it. I take one trade a day just until I get the funded account. I can't wait, baby. Trade the Poll. I'm kind of sitting. I'm using the Trade the Poll to kind of trade penny stocks. So, like I said, I'm down 325 total on it. So this is in the matter of like 3 to 4 days. So it's just because I'm getting used to these penny stocks shorts. So that's what I'm waiting on. So no trades for myself. All right, no trades on right. I'm in right now. 3 trades: Tesla, S&P, and AMD. 2 for 3 on the day, baby. That's how we rocking, baby. Woo! So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys are loving it. We're gonna keep holding steady right now, guys. Time's 11:33 in this market, coming into play, getting crazy. All right, getting crazy, guys. Let me know. Let me know, guys. Let me know what you guys got cooking. CBNA potential short at the 50-day right here. CBNA. Let's see if it starts to reverse off this. I don't really think it will. I think it's going to start reversing off this 50 and 200. Got some bangers coming in. So, yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Let's turn the... You guys want some of this? Oh, yeah. Well, I'm going real quick. Get the energy high, baby. Raise the room. All right. Woo! BRB, give me 1 second. Just going over the red. already know, man. You guys know what I'm saying, baby. Getting into it here. Yeah, TiVo. I was thinking that, guys. Hold on. Cut the music real quick. I'm not too sure what's going on with Dart Trader, ladies and gentlemen. So, he lives in Hawaii. I hope he's okay. Not to, like, ruin the mood or anything, but as you guys know what's been going on with Hawaii, the wildfires and everything going on, and U.S. only funding them $700. That's what he said anyways. So I haven't heard from him in a little bit. So, you know, keep him in your prayers. Keep him and his family in your prayers. Your prayers. And just all of Hawaii, because, I mean, that's kind of a serious situation. A lot of people are losing their homes, losing their income, losing everything. So, you know, it's a sad situation. Not to ruin the mood, kill the vibe, but we do have some traders over there. So pray for all the traders over there in Hawaii right now as it's getting a bit serious, you know. But no, I have not heard from him, TiVo, in a little bit. I'm going to see if I can find out, his Instagram or his Twitter, and I'm going to send him a DM. Or I'll DM here on Tradecaster as well. If you guys want to as well, just send Darth Trader a DM if you can. Check up on him. Make him feel at home, guys. This is a community. This is more than just us trading, man. We're a community here, man. We're a team, so we do care about each other and stuff. You know what I mean? Hate to see some of you guys hop off here and stuff. You know, it's like you get to know a guy for a little bit and they hop off of Tradecaster. It's like, damn, man. It's like, well, we can still stay connected, man. If I'm in your area, we'll still chill, hang out. You know, grab a couple beers, do what we gotta do. So yeah, buddy. But raising the energy, back in the room again, guys. Woo! Keep in your prayers. Yeah, buddy. So, just getting there. Tesla, I want to see Tesla come down below 225 again. That's the game plan. Alright. 225, baby. I want to see it come down below. Alright, getting crazy. Oh. Getting crazy up in here. Woo! Is this Twitter Darth Trader? I'm not quite sure. I'm not. It might be. That's what I'm saying. It sucks that I don't have a connection. You know what I mean? I don't have his contact info. Just, if you can't, maybe he has a Twitter. Maybe you follow his deck or something. It might be. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna look into it. I'm gonna look into it and give you guys a little. I'll give you guys the info then. Yeah, because he's not in chat. He's down. No, sadly he's not. Oh man, we're getting crazy, guys. All right. Woo! S&P starting to come down, guys. I'm looking at Tesla underneath its 200. If Tesla can hold underneath its 200, S&P starting to hold below 436, guys. We're going to get that next leg down. CVNA, look at that short, ladies and gentlemen. Short coming into play here on CVNA. Guys, waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. Oh, man, here comes S&P. S&P wants some more. S&P wants some more, baby. So, waiting and watching. S&P's not even a bad short right here. A bad put contract, potentially. Oh, man, guys. S&P looks so good for puts. I'm not taking it myself. I just want to put that out there. Not in anything myself, guys. But I 100% do think... it's such a good... it looks so good. I can't take it right now. If you guys want to take it with light size. Get out if it breaks 136 topside. That's it. See? So if it breaks 136 topside, get out. Woo! So I hope you guys are loving the day, baby. Hope you guys are loving the energy in the room. Hope you guys got some energy up in your room. Maybe you got speakers up in your crib right now. Maybe you got surround sound in your office. All right? And you guys are sitting there blasting this. And in that case, woo! Welcome to the show, baby. Welcome to the show. Alright. So we all gotta get to the point so we're feeling like a Pop-Tart straight out the toaster, baby. We all gotta get to the point where we feel like just like a paid off fine at your local office because you were speeding. Alright, definitely not relatable. Damn these guys. Anyways, coming down into here. 435.80. We gotta get to the point where you're feeling good essentially. Alright. Feeling amazing. Still waiting for SPY breakdown. I'm with you there, Torn. I'm with you there. If it can break this low here, come down to 75, 80, break these lows, maybe on a little trap pattern, I'm in, baby. I'm with you. Woo! I'm out turning in the chop. Thanks for my gains. Y'all keep gains, peeps. Peace out, Timo. Have a great one. What is it? Good job on the profits today. Hell yeah, man. Have a great one, man. So time's 11:40 here, guys. Oh yeah, I have to go look at a little car today, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Yep. It is a 328. I know I was gonna get an X series. I went with a 328 XI turbo. Yep. So it's a 2014. It's not bad. It's an alright car. It'll get around. Get me around the block. Here comes S&P, guys. Oh my gosh. This is so attractive. Here comes this. Oh man. Here it comes, guys. Right down to that trend line, guys. Okay. I'm deciding on what I want to do. Do I want to take S&P or do I want to take Tesla? I like Tesla below the 200. Woo! Yeah, buddy. And I like S&P below the 75. Which one do I want to take? Because I'm terrible with multitasking. I will forget about one and I'll hold the other. So waiting and watching, guys. There was that crackdown. If it comes back in one more time, guys, you could see a big sell-off in the next few minutes. Take S&P? S&P? Alright, hold on. I got S&P loaded up. It'll probably be next day expiration. The 434s. Take 5 of them. Look at that sell-off right there, guys. I just don't like the double. There's too many wicks right now. We got one lower shadow, another lower shadow here. Potentially spiking back up. You know. So I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting. Nothing right now. And Tesla's ripping to the top side. It's nowhere close to its 200. So as long as it's not near its 200, we're chilling. I could take him at separate times, maybe. Very wicky, yeah. It's not very clean. It is going to the downside, I will say, but it's not clean to the downside. It's very much, yeah. Tesla's going to fight to hold upside. SPY looks weaker. It does. Yeah, Tesla right now is holding its highs, even with S&P falling like this, right? AMD's kind of following through. We can take a look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA, I don't really see this one really coming down, guys. Right? I don't see this one coming down. I'm not gonna lie. This is the one play I think is gonna hold its gains today. So, yeah. So I do see S&P. I would almost need some sort of, I don't know, confirmation in the way. Very wicky though, I will say. Very wicky. What made me get in over here for this downside play? Well, we broke out below 436 here. We started, not below 436. We started to come down below, this little channel pattern here. Coming down. Obviously, I'm just going to ride this right underneath it. Boom. Punch it in, baby. And it printed. It was a good trade. Great trade. So, okay, now we're starting to look a little bit better. NVIDIA agreed on holding its gains going to the earnings. Yeah, I think it will. I just think traders are loading up on positions right now. Here it is, guys. Guys, I think what I'm going to do, give me a second before I talk on this. Before I put it in the air. I'm going to get in for that sell-off. For that crack down below 436.60. Down to 436.50 and see what we can do here. Alright, so there it is. Starting to push it in below 436.60. Just want to see and ride that momentum to the downside, baby. I want to see this thing come down below 436.60. 435.60, excuse me. 435.60. And crack below 435.50. Alright, so just waiting and watching right now. Starting to get there, punching in those lows. Tesla, here comes Tesla, guys. Here comes Tesla, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, there it is. Okay, let's see what happens at 50 now. Guys, right at the 200. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, they both look good. Oh, this is what I was saying. Oh, there it is, Tesla. Guys, I can't not take Tesla, guys. I can't not take Tesla. Ladies and gentlemen, Tesla. Guys. Oh, my goodness. That looks so good. I'm waiting on S&P. I'm going to hold S&P, seeing this thing continue to fall here. It'll push Tesla back down as well. So this thing can come down to the low here of 435.40. 434 puts, okay. 434 puts the next day. I gotta wait here. I'm waiting and watching, ladies and gentlemen. I'm waiting and watching. I got Tesla loaded up, but I'm still watching S&P. Guys, look at that crack right below it. If it starts to hold those lows, starts to come lower, guys, you guys are set. You guys are good. Clean momentum. Loading S&P back up. Starting to push up a little bit more here. Those are the puts I'm in right now. I'm in 5 of them to the downside. 434. Pink. Starting to push back up. I might sell out of these and enter Tesla, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I really do like Tesla right now. Alright, guys, here's what I'm gonna do. Here's the game plan. I'm selling out of these. I'm going to Tesla, guys. I know, I'm switching up on you guys. You guys are like, what? Wait, what did I just sell? Oh, I sold one put? I sold one put contract, guys. Alright, I'm gonna enter these right now. 2 10 puts, 5 of them to the downside. I'm in right now, guys. I'm in on Tesla. I'm in on Tesla to the downside, guys. I'm looking for that 224.48 crack. Giving it a second. As long as both of these plays come back down, you're good. You're good. You're good. Baby, let them rip and run to the downside. All right. Take your greens, baby. Eat your green eggs and ham. You guys know what I'm saying. All right. Chill out. All right. Woo. So I'm chilling out right now. I'm looking. I'm waiting. I'm watching here. I want that little green to red here below 435.50. I want to see Tesla come down below 224.60. Look at that red coming in, guys. Just waiting and watching it. So some green to red here on the S&P, I think will force Tesla to come down as well, even though Tesla looks bearish already. Woo, I'm getting wild. Yeah, buddy. Bookmap has a ton of support on ES at 437, 372.15 Nvidia. Got a feeling retail doesn't want to miss another potential big move upside like the earnings. Yeah. Yup. So chilling out. I agree. Nvidia will hold these gains, I think. Nvidia's its own play right now, while S&P and Tesla are correlating in the fact that they're both coming down here. We got both these plays to the red side. Below it's 200. It's starting to come down even lower here. Green to red here on S&P could force Tesla to, really start to sell off. There it goes. There goes the red, ladies and gentlemen. To the downside now. Watching Tesla. Watching Tesla and S&P. S&P, come on to the downside, baby. Let's get some green or red. All right, so I'm waiting and watching here. I'm not going to force it too much. Hitting a bit crazy on me on Tesla. I don't like it above its 200, guys. I don't want to see it above there. If it can wick around this area right down to some of these lows here around 6.2, around 7.5, I like it a little bit more. I just don't want to miss that move to the downside, you know what I mean? I think S&P could crack here and really start to sell off. So stop loss is going to have to be right around the 2.5 crack here on Tesla. Yep. If it doesn't, it wants to come down. That's good as well. 2.4. I want to see it come down here. Ladies and gentlemen, both of these plays need to come down here. Like I said, I'm in technically with 4 contracts on S&P, 5 contracts with Tesla. I want to see it start to sell off and come down below that 200 again. These candles couldn't hold up too well below it and starting to break to the top side, guys. I am going to have to cut it here soon, very, very soon. I would need to see some red on this candle. Green or red coming into play heavy here. S&P continues its downside push. Could really move this market to the downside, guys. Guys, could really move this market to the downside. S&P breaking 60. Let's see it. I need a red. I need red here on Tesla. That's it. I need to see red come in and hold. Red come in and hold and push this stock back below its 200-day. S&P helps out if it starts to break. Breaking 50, and it helps out if it starts to push 40s. So here comes S&P now. S&P is starting to sell off more, ladies and gentlemen. Tesla coming back down to below its 200. Guys, here's where these plays could potentially start to really dump and sell off. You want the S&P to continue to hold below 40. Low here is 3.8. You want to see it push 3.8 one more time and hold. So that's what I'm waiting on, guys. That's what I'm waiting and watching here. I'm waiting on that red to come in, really start to push this down. Tesla could be its own beast to the downside. I'm not gonna lie, but you know, I'm not gonna force any of these plays. Not gonna feel forceful. You guys get what I'm saying, right? So, woo, yeah, buddy. Hope you guys are loving it. Hope you guys are loving the energy, the momentum, baby, the plays, the hand. SPY very hesitant on getting puts, not really showing strong into the sell-off. It's not being crazy into it. I like the lower highs. That's why I'm in. Now, does it have to really sell off here very soon? Yes. Now, does it have the potential to? Yes. If it can break below 435.50 and hold, I think we can really start to see that sell-off come in. Tesla's starting to come back into play. If it can hold below 435.50, hold below 435.50, punch it in again below 435.40, that could be the signification of that sell-off coming into play. That next leg down, next bear flag pattern starting to break out to the downside, and that next, you know, everything. So waiting and watching for that sell-off. If it's gonna happen, you need Tesla to start to really come down, guys. I do not want to see Tesla above 30 almost. Above 30, it's really not that good looking. It's like, you know? So you need that red candle to come in and rip to the downside, really start to push it in. Waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. No. I'm out of Tesla. I don't like the price action on it. I do like S&P though, I will say. I don't like how Tesla's going higher. I do like the price action on S&P though, I will say. S&P. Guys, I might load up. Below 435.50, I want to load up more. Guys, this could be the sell-off right here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not going to lie, guys. This looks good for a lower high push to the downside below 435.50. This candle has to go red below it, though. Has to break this low here. You guys see this here? Right there. That's your channel pattern. Starting to come down lower. Ladies and gentlemen, starting to come down and into it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you want. You want us to hold now and push these lows. I was going to DCA in with a few more contracts, like 5 more. But I think I'm just going to hold out these 4 and let them do their thing to the downside. Now it's starting to come down. You want to see it break 40 again? Starting to break 40, guys. This is what you were looking for. Now you want it to start to kill to the downside, ladies and gentlemen. I sold out of Tesla. Didn't look as good as S&P. S&P looking great for that sell-off now. That rip and run to the downside, baby. Woo! Looking for 20s. Looking for those lows to come into play here. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see some green or red down to 20. I'm going to mark this here. 20. And 2.5. I'll lay 20. I'll lay 20 down. Let's see it. Let's see it come into play, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, buddy. So, I want to see a pullback on SPY and then a push to the downside. I will wait for this hourly candle. Grambo's still a lot of orders at 437.20. They're getting taken out. Moved at 430. Okay, there we go. Okay, that makes me feel a little bit better. They're getting moved to 430.70. Okay, here, let me do this. I should probably know where that's at here on TS. I want to see that red come in here on S&P. See how it's holding these? I want to see it dump and sell off right below it. We had that big red candle finally close below it. So now I want to see this thing start to really trip to the downside. Let's see it go green or red. Potential trap pattern here. Trap pattern to the downside. Fill it out, baby. Fill it out below the low here of 3.2. 3.3. Let's see 3.2 break. It's in at 7.3. Let's see 7.2 come in on ES. Now I want to see that red come in down below 3-2. That's the game plan. Let that thing fill out. Tesla, excuse me. Tesla looking even better. Grambo, I'm not gonna lie. That has to be the weirdest thing I think I've ever seen in my life, man. I have why are there bubbles? Sorry, man, I don't think I know what Bookmap is. There's that little spike here on the S&P. Maybe I'm just uninformed. It's like I'm uneducated here. Alright, guys, I might get it right here, potential. Wait for that sell-off to come in. Oh, man, I want to load up almost, but I don't want to load up yet. I want to wait. I'm going to wait. I like that we're getting the lower highs continuing. It's holding the lower high pattern. Now really coming in. Guys, it could happen. It could happen below this little channel. What I have here, this little, look at this. It can't seem to close below it. So sitting, waiting right now, waiting to see if we can go red and crack to the downside here below 435.40. Just waiting and watching, guys. I don't know, I'm in a pickle. What do I do? Do I want to wait, hold this out? I'm in on 4 contracts, okay. I will say the appreciation is nice on these. The appreciation is very keen on these. It's very clean. I might load up, guys. I might do it. I don't know, man. I'm sitting in the area to where if I do load up, now I have to cut faster. Right? You guys get what I'm saying? That's what I mean. When I mean I don't know, I know this is coming down. When is it coming down? Soon. Do I have faith that it's coming down in the next couple minutes while I'm holding? Yes. You go green to red, spike down below this little channel pattern right here, and really start to kill it. Now. Whew. Alright, hold on. There we go, guys. All right, it's better than thanks for sharing. That's Bookmap. It's better than a level 2. Bubbles or volume might enter short at 435.75. That's what I'm thinking. Get a like. Oh man. Okay, that's what I think we're on the same page here, Grambo. Okay, that's a level 2. Oh, okay. I got you, man. I see. I get you, gist. I get what you're saying. Nice upper shadow there. Waiting and watching here. Seeing what can come about, guys. Waiting and watching here. Seeing what can come about on this trade. AMD, I kind of like it below that 50 right there, guys. AMD just peeping over. I like AMD to the downside here, guys. It has room to fall. Ladies and gentlemen, AMD has room to go here. I'm looking at it below its 50 day. I don't think I'll take it. AMD and me we got beef right now. Okay, me and AMD got problems. All right. So that's why I'm chilling. All right. So now here comes S&P. Oh man. What is it, Torn Trader, man? You're probably like, I wish I would have got in right up here, dude. It hit 7.1 that high. Dude, I'm with you, man. I wish it hit 7.5 and we could have just punched it in, bro. We could have got that fill. Here it comes up. Let's see if it can break 50 again. If it can break 50 again, I'm good. I'm set. I'm chilling. We're getting into some tight consolidation here on AMD. Sure, something like that. I want to see that red come in here. Has to, getting up and near it. I'm going to take a couple more contracts up at 7.5. Whew. Support is definitely 435.50, guys. You see this? All around the board here. Doesn't seem to be able to hold below it, so. Woo! You guys are loving this, dude. This thing has the potential to really start to sell off. Okay, that's what I'm waiting for in the S&P. One of them big red candles. We have absolutely no economic news on the day. That doesn't matter for these traders, man. They want to see it go down. They want to see the S&P's downfall. That's what they're waiting on. All right, they're banking on the S&P's downfall. All right. AMD now breaking its trend line. Support move back to 430.72. Be careful with your puts. Okay. I do have a stop loss. 430.72. Okay. Yeah, it's right there. I do have a stop loss plate. My stop loss is going to be 8.5 over 7.5, guys. Oh, breaking it now. Hold on, guys. Hold on, breaking it now. Finger on the trigger. Nothing yet. Nothing wrong with getting out here, too. 8.2. Look at everything starting to spike back up, ladies and gentlemen. You got to be cautious. Got to be cautious. With these spikes, rips, and runs, I don't want to. I feel like the 50 days is smarter, but I don't want to give it up to the 50 day. That's 20 cents above my, 10 cents above my point. Right? I might take puts up here. An extra 3 contracts to the top side. All right. Oh, man. Because that could have just been the spike, guys. All right.
Order filled.
I'm in right now with 7 contracts. Waiting for that sell-off, that dump, that spike to the downside, guys. Stop loss is gonna have to be this 50 day. See the wiggle room? Yeah, see the wiggle room? I see the wiggle room. So that's the wiggle room at hand. With all of this spiking up here, we have view up. We have view up. We have 50 day. We have 50 day. Okay? We could start to see that reversal very, very soon, very shortly. So I'm waiting and watching right now. Put me back to school. Yeah, that is a very confusing chart there. But I am with you. If you say it, Grambo, I believe you, buddy. I believe you. Let's see if we can get back to 435.50. I feel a lot more confident. A lot more confident. Waiting on that sell-off, baby. Just waiting and watching. I hope you guys are loving today. I hope you guys are eating this market up like a bunch of toast. Just freshly cooked out of the oven. I'm in ES shorts here. Hey, you are profiting. Can a fake out happen at a low? A fake out to the downside can happen. It did happen here, but will it happen again is the thing. And do I think it can happen again? I don't know. I don't really think so. That's why I'm in these. I think this thing can continue to fall here. Starting to get that push up. This was not what I was looking for. I'm looking at that sell off. Buyers are just picking it up. You need sellers to come in. Looking at the time and sales. I'm looking for sellers to pick it up. Look at the buyers picking that shit up, guys. Like that was a fake out right there. I'm just scalping this plus 380. Feels like way too much effort. I do the second my futures gets loaded back up, guys. You guys are gonna see the most scalps you guys have ever seen on TradeCaster. I'm gonna be scalping the crap out of this market. My stop loss is gonna be this 200. I mean the 50, excuse me, 50 day. Yeah, the view up in the 200 are way too far up. Guys, if it goes to anything above that, I will cut this, sell out, and be done for the day. I'm gonna take 3 more contracts up here. All right. Guys,
Order
going
partially
on 3
filled.
more, so I'm in a total of 10 contracts now. 10 contracts to the downside, seeing if it can reverse off of this 50. If it can't, guys, I'm done. I want to see this come down, though. As you see, we just had a massive wick to the downside, down to 5.7. Let's see, if we go green to red, anything can happen, though. If we go green to red here, sellers pick it up to the downside. I'm filled throughout this entire upwards trend line, okay? So we could really start to crack to the downside and fall back down. Right off that 50-day, perfect touch of it to the downside. Let's see. Waiting and watching now. AMD coming down. Tesla just spiked up. Tesla looking for the downside. ES just touched its 50-day. So we're at that point to where we could fall hella. We can fall big. All right. God's name we trust, baby. All right, so you don't want to see it above there. You want to see it come down, start to spike to the downside. Got that nice big downtrend there. I mean, had that nice big red, what is it, that red wick. You want to see this essentially fall here. You just need to see the red come in here. That's it. Anything too much above it, guys, you got to cut it. You cannot hold and hope. You cannot hold and hope. In with 10 contracts to the downside, looking for that push, looking for that crack, that sell-off. you know, I'm looking for this thing to really come down, baby. Make a couple buckaroos on her. Coming down here, 80. I want to see 80 break again on 435. 435, 80, and then the 7.5 level break. AMD coming down big here. AMD coming down. Tesla starting to come down as well. Tesla, I want to see continue to push lower here. Same with ES. ES pushes lower, I'll feel more confident. All of these points I want to see go lower. So now we're waiting and we're watching, guys. We are waiting and watching to the downside. I feel confident with it below 80 and 7.5, guys. I feel confident with it below 80 and below 7.5. So punching in those downsides. Coming in here, 8.4. Let's see it. Let's see if we can break 80 here. I feel more confident with that 80. Not yet resistance forming at 430. You're still looking at ES long. 37, what is it? 430, 80. Woo! There we go. There we go. Coming in here, looking at that 7.5 point, I feel confident with it under the 80, under the 7.5 levels. If it breaks both those points, when it breaks both those points, if it breaks both those points, comes down here, pushes in the 70, 6.5, I'll feel more confident. So here goes AMD to the downside again. I'm looking for AMD below its 50. I'm looking for S&P. Continue its downside rip, guys. If not, I won't. I'm going to E-Trade, what is it? Do you have TOS? I'm going to E-Trade Weeble. I'm sitting on sidelines for now. Smart. If it starts to break this, guys, I can't hold. I want to see this come down. Do not be stubborn. Do not be biased to one direction or another. That's all I got to say. I'm waiting. Why did I stay quiet? It's like, what does YB doing? What's going on with it? It just seems anytime I seem to be like spazzing talking with it, it's like, hey, just shut up for a second and actually analyze the chart. That's what I did for a second. I just stood back, took a look back, sat here, and I'm like, wait a minute. This actually looks really good to the downside. Why does this look really good to the downside here? Like, this thing can really start to fade off and sell here. Like, this looks good. Right, ladies and gentlemen? That red right there can spike down to 436.60, 435.60, excuse me, 435.60. I mean, to me, it looks good as long as it breaks his higher low pattern. So that's why I stayed quiet for a second. Woo! Just waiting here, guys. I mean, yeah, I'm waiting here for that 60 break, just to see. Green or red here. So I took 1 second, took a look back at the chart, and said this looks good for a downside break underneath the top, underneath the support, the trend line. If you guys even want to do this, you guys can do this. I want to see green or red though. I want to see green or red. And a push to the downside. Woo! NVIDIA earnings Wednesday at 4 p.m. EST. I do think we get 2 green days with a gap up tonight as hype builds as we get close to the ER. This is the #1 best investment of 2023. So there's a lot of eyes on it. And I agree. I couldn't agree more. I think we're going to sit on NVIDIA. And here, let me get rid of Tesla here. On NVIDIA, I think we're sitting NVIDIA. We're going to more or less sit flat on the day. We might push up a little bit more. I just don't think it's going to get to the downside. Even if S&P decides to drop down to 434, 433, I don't think Nvidia is going to get that low. I don't think Nvidia is going to get a drop. Right, we have earnings Wednesday. I think people are just going to sit flat on it till then. You know? QQQ coiling for a move that could impact things. There we go. That is true. You're right. So I just want 60 to break and see what happens here. So waiting and watching here on the S&P. Starting to get crazy on me. I want to see 50. 60 broke. Now let's hold 60 low and break down 50. Let's break down beneath 50 and see what happens in this trend line, in the pattern. So that's what you want to see. You want to see that red continue as it can. I said before, this chart looks good to the downside here for another break, especially if you hold below 60, push in below 50. So getting there, getting that low. You want to see it punch in below 50, start to come down to the low 40s. So going to put a line right here at 40. We'll see though. If it gets this low, we'll see. Green or red on this candle would be good for a downside push. That's what I'm looking for. I don't know how you guys are feeling. I don't know what you guys are looking at right now. But I'm looking at this S&P downside push, baby, potentially. Below 60, that's where it seems to open at. So we're looking at below 60 for that red move, baby. Came down all the way down, right down to 5.3. Want to see it go a little bit lower than that. Want to see it come down. I'll probably start TPing here. In 10 contracts to the downside. Just waiting and watching here, guys. 100% honest with you guys. Waiting and watching. If it goes green or red on this candle, you guys are set. You guys are good. Printing, profiting. Even a little bit. Starting to come down a little bit more. Want to see this kind of, recoil back a little bit. Like that. Start to come down a little bit. There you go. And then see this next candle, potential trap pattern. That's what I'm looking for. I need green or red. Waiting on it. Hope you get it. I'm not anything. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just waiting and watching right now. I'm waiting and watching to see if we get that crack to the downside here, okay? Now, I'm not going to load up on too much more due to the fact we're in chop. We could see that next leg down. We've seen it before, guys. So, SPY current downtrend. There it goes. Yep, right there's the downtrend on S&P. Guys, I'm not trying to force it. Not trying to be that guy. Have it up to the 50. I want to see it come down, though. We've seen it right here. Made these lows, couldn't hold below. Eventually sold off. Crashed, dumped to the downside. Crazy play to the downside. Amazing. Awesome. I won't SPY lower, but I'm not feeling confident in it at Grambo. I'm not feeling like, it looks good. Obviously, and then you get these right here. So now you're going to need red to come in. If it breaks the 200 and the 50, I will cut it 100%. Got my finger on the trigger to sell right now. Breaking that 200, the 50-day, I will cut it. If it really starting to break a little bit above it, is that it? Yup, guys. I'm out. Done on it.
Order filled.
Why am I out? This 50-day, now it has room all the way up to the 200, guys. We're now breaking this downtrend. We're now breaking this. Oh, sorry. I'm just minks my side. Now breaking this downtrend to the top side here. 436 level. What is it? To the top side here. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I sold out of that play. Woo! It just like punched me in my side. Oh, that was weird. So, chilling and waiting, guys. Chilling and waiting. Oh man. Woo! I'm done trading today. Just here for the vibes. Yeah, buddy, and I love to hear it. Liquidity moved to 438.250. So there was that break, guys. I love to see it. Hopefully you guys were, even if you guys were in ES longs, guys, that's awesome. Just because, I'm the industry and you guys are doing something different, that's completely fine. So I'm going to leave that up there. I'm going to remove this point right there. Woo! Stress, man. Maybe it is. Maybe it's stress. I don't know. Something just felt like it stabbed me in my side. I'm like, oh my goodness. These guys heard me. I couldn't talk for a second. I was like, what the? So yeah, it's not normal, but we're gonna roll with it. I don't care. We're fine. We're good to go, baby. Still for free, guys. Liquidity moved to 438.250. What is it? So what am I looking at right now, guys? Then, if that's not gonna move, okay. Listen, if Nvidia is just gonna keep moving up, I don't think I can really take a trade on it. I think it's gonna chop. We're in chop right now in the S&P, guys. All right, you guys see this? We're slowly moving down. I don't know. I'm feeling it, but I'm not feeling it that much. I'm feeling it, baby. Are you guys feeling it? Are you guys feeling the moves? You guys feeling the vibes? Huh? Yeah, buddy. So that's what I'm saying, guys. I hope you guys are killing it. Loving it like a bagel. Fresh out of college. All right, you guys get what I'm saying, kind of. so chilling out here, ladies and gentlemen. Zach Cash saying, "Ow, yeah, buddy, over there on YouTube, getting it good, man, getting it in good." So I'm waiting here, guys. This thing, I think, is going to come back down here. I don't think we're going to rip and run all day. What I do think can happen, though, is if it's going to push, it's going to really start to push, and we're going to start to break some of these highs here. I really want that futures account to come in, baby, because I would be scalping this so much. I can't wait. I am so excited. I got to wait till Wednesday, though. But I am so excited, guys. I'm going to swing. I might do, I don't know. What are you guys thinking? NVIDIA swing? NVIDIA swing into earnings? Right? Do you guys think NVIDIA is gonna miss earnings or make earnings? Let's do this real quick. We're gonna do a poll, ladies and gentlemen. Let's create a poll here. Do you guys? What are your thoughts on NVIDIA? Thoughts on ticker NVDA? All right. Miss or make? Miss or make earnings? Make it, man. It's gonna be a great day. Miss it, man. For you guys that are in puts, it's gonna be a great day. Make sure to go post your votes. Go vote. Talk alerts, profits, users. Right underneath that, right there it is. I'm gonna make a little tab up here for all of you guys in here that it will say the what is it? It'll also say the poll. So make sure to go vote there. Woo! Now that's gambling. Yeah, that's gambling. I will you know, hey, listen. All right. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't make sense on why they. I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything yet. I'm not gonna say. Everyone go vote. Talk alerts, profits, users. Underneath that. Well, they can miss, but it can still go up, lol. I know, right? I'm thinking about just loading up on some, like, next month expiration NVIDIA calls. Just holding them, bro. So, it's kind of where I'm at. I mean, yeah, Kim here thinks they're going to make it. All right. Hey, should have go vote then. Make sure to go vote. Let's see what they got going here, okay? Right after the view up on AMD. I don't know, potential scalp at the view up. When's the last time we were at the view up here? Okay. Right there it was. It kind of, I don't know, man. But we have all this chop above it, so. I might do, I don't know, this is kind of riskier, but I might do AMD topside above its view up. Is that dumb? Is that dumb to do? AMD above its view up here. Do a little view up play. I would definitely do S&P above its, because that's right above 437 as well. It's just so far. I will lose complete faith in investors if it goes up another 25% on earnings. Yo, oh my goodness. They are just going crazy then. There's no way. If it goes up another 25% and it's already at $400, guys, when does the show end? When does the rodeo stop kicking? All right, guys, I'm looking at AMD, potential scalp here. You know, 97. I'll load up like 5 contracts right above that view up, guys. I just don't feel, I gotta feel confident. I'm gonna punch it in right now. Calls, you know what I'm waiting on right now? I'm waiting on it. Call side, I'm waiting on to see if it can hold it. It has to hold above the view up. Anything below, I'll have to cut it, but I want it to hold above. Spike, rip, and run. Now we have room to go. Last time AMD was above its view up was all the way back at 1013. And look at this. When it spiked up above, it really started to spike, guys. Those candles are massive. That is insane. That is like a 60-cent candle. That's crazy. So we're looking for S&P to continue to push, AMD to get up there. Just a quick scalp above the view up. Not looking for $1 million. Right there it is, touching it, coming down a little bit to it. Has to go above it, has to hold above it. Goes to red to green here. You guys are good. You guys are printing, profiting, baby. 7 days a week. Fresh up the shot. All right. So 7.5 needs to get above that. Push 107. Like I said, guys, I will not hold it below that view up if it wants to hold above. Red to green here. Starts spiking, ripping, running, going crazy all the way up to 107 in one candle. Woo! I'm about it. I'm with you guys. So wait and watch it on that. Wait and watch it. Long ES to spy view up. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I sold my 436 calls too soon. I mean, dude, it's starting to get up there, man. That sucks, right? It always sucks when you do that, right? It's like, damn, man, if I would have held for 2 more minutes, I could have been up so-and-so amount of money. If I held for 5 more minutes, I could have been up $1 million, you know, I mean, it's like, whoa, buddy, let's be realistic. Okay. See some red to green on S&P pushing AMD up. AMD, if it can't hold above, guys, I'll cut it. AMD, if it can't hold above, I'll cut it. I'll cut it. Red to green here, above, what's the high here? 78, I feel more confident. S&P getting that crack to the top side. Pushing 78. 79 now, breaking 78. Get a little crazy, guys. Get a little crazy with me. All right. So coming into play here, spiking up to what was that, 81, 82. Has to continue it. Look at the S&P getting crazy. Has to continue to push, guys. If it can't continue to push, ladies and gentlemen. Powell speaks Friday night. Yup. Powell speaks Friday. Bring up the economic calendar. Nvidia looks to go to 458, 460. If you want to go for that swing. I might swing it now. You're right. I might but yeah, I might. I just feel weird getting in at the highs, but I think I will. After this AMD trade, I feel like I kind of want to get in. Just swing it overnight. Next week expiration. Cheap contracts. I'm talking like $200 to $300 because I feel like I'm gambling. Or just wait until earnings day. Right? I feel like it's going to continue to build these higher lows until the day of earnings. So it's like an easy play. Just trade that. Just take a scalp. I mean, not scalp, excuse me. Take a long position, hold it overnight. Feeling confident in myself, feeling confident in the trade that this thing can spike and break above. Gotta feel confident in it, baby. Right, we don't trade for nothing. Alright, so I'm looking at 107 here. 107, want to see that come into play. S&P pushing in these highs. I think AMD can do the same here. Alright, so confidence levels, gotta have them high. Gotta have them high, baby. Woo. The DXY is also pulling back as well. YB, have it go to 453 and then get that dip. Okay, 453. Yeah, because I think it's going to have a pullback. This is really high for it. This is getting crazy for it. This is near the high of day, right? So realistically, it's going to have that pullback. Here goes AMD, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! There you guys go. I would only go NVIDIA calls for the IV increase to get that premium. So, yeah, I guess that's kind of true, too. So when you mean the IV increase, do you mean, like, sell the call contracts? You know what I mean? Instead of buying them? Or do you mean buy the call contracts and just wait for other traders to want that even more, so the IV will get raised, meaning the price will go from $100 to $200 due to the fact that, you know what I mean? DXY is pulling back. Waiting here on AMD, waiting for that break up to 107, ladies and gentlemen. As we get closer to earnings, the IV will go up and calls the premium go up, and then sell earnings day. Okay, so essentially like buy the rumor, sell the news, right? Right? You're buying the rumor of earnings going up, meaning the call contracts, everyone wants a piece of them, so they're gonna go up, and then, you know, you sell them the day of or the day before earnings, and bada bing, bada boom, baby. Starting to break the 200 here on the S&P, going crazy now. Man, dude, these things are not appreciating, man. Guys, there's no way I bought up these highs, man. No winning. You want to sell options on earnings day for IV crash. Okay. And then sell earnings day. Okay. So buy in, sell out, earnings day. Okay, I got you. I get what you're saying. Yup. About looking to get back up with that VWAP downtrend snapped and buyers back. If it gets above VWAP, ladies and gentlemen, I think I am going to look S&P long. It's still pushing higher here. You can even look at it above the 200. I won't personally, but it's not a bad play. I'm looking at AMD right now, holding these out. 5 points on ES with 5 minis. Round of applause to Grambo, baby. Killing the market. Typically, volatility goes up going to earnings as people speculate more and more, watch which causes IB to go up, and then IB will crash after earnings. Okay, so sell earnings day, especially if you're green, it should even go up more, so you'll be crazy. That's crazy, okay. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. All right. Yeah, let me get a little bit of a dip buy, though. Buying at 456 is wild. All right, now we're getting crazy. This you know, getting wild. I think it's rejected at VWAP, though. Okay. Oh, at S&P. If S&P breaks VWAP, it's going to go crazy. If it can't, I agree. The rejection, I mean, I would look puts or something. Still holding these AMD calls, though. I'm not going to lie, the appreciation on them is not really a lot. Their Friday expiration, August 25th. What is that? $112. So they're about $100 right now. I just don't think there's enough volume on them to make them really go crazy. Like, nobody's jumping on these, you know what I mean? They're appreciating, don't get me wrong, but not enough. Not enough. So I'm gonna hold them. I'm not gonna complain about green. Okay. You guys, if you guys took different contracts though, or up big, like, I mean, okay, you guys are up like 7% at the top. There we go. Dang, can't believe the S&P reached my top target. Green is green. I know. It's like, damn it. What is going on, bro? And then, you know, you sell out a little bit too early, and then something like this goes on. Woo! It gets a little crazy. It hurts the head a little bit. Hurts the mind. I get it. It's all right, Jay Chan. You'll get him next time, bro. You'll even get him today. You'll kill him. So, wait and watch here. I like the S&P to the top side, guys. I really do. I feel like if I just had futures, man, I would trade the crap out of this. I just don't have futures to trade with. 106.83. Want to see it start to break to the top side above there. 8.3. 8.5. There it goes. Let's see it. Start to go crazy on me. AMD forming the higher lows could potentially spike and break out above 107, guys. That's what I'm looking for. Am I looking for a new high a day, 107.80? I don't think so. Am I against it? No. I'll take a solid dollar move, right? Friday was the day, ladies and gentlemen. Friday was crazy, guys. Woo! Friday, dude, I had two back-to-back near 100% trades, guys. I had an 80% trade and then a 100% trade. It was crazy. Hold on. I have a TraderBait account open with $500 in it. Are you for real? You're not lying to me right now, are you? I loaded it up and it said something about the margin, and I thought I needed more, and I was not willing to put more in. You know what I mean? I was not willing to put any more than 500 because it's futures. You know how volatile futures is. I'm like, dude, this is my own money. I'm like, this can get crazy if I'm not smart. Oh no, okay. After fees, I loaded up 500, but I had to pay for market data, so I'm at 410. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. That's why, because I'm at 410 in it. Right, okay. Day margin is only 500. Yeah, I only have 410 in it. Yup, because I had to pay the fees. I had to pay $90 in like fees and shit. I didn't think about that. I should have loaded up like, I don't know, 600. I could load up another $90 and trade it. Should I do that? Will it go through today though is the real question. Alright, hold on, let's do that. Let's open another $90 into it. Hold on. I already pay like $100 a month, so yeah, let's see. Let's just do 100. We'll do $100. We'll stick another 100 in. I'll be at 510 then. I don't know if it gets funded instantly, but be careful with not having access to cash flow because they will auto liquidate you. Oh, really? Now we're talking. Well, let's just hope I don't make a bad trade. Said within 1 day. Okay. So by tomorrow, I'll have that in the account, and then I mean, we'll see what's up. We'll see. Won't go through today. Okay. It's set by tomorrow. So by tomorrow, I should have it. Tomorrow's Tuesday, and then by Wednesday, whatever gains I made on that account, I'll just pull out the entire account, and then you know, put it wherever I want to put it. I guess I'll just, you know, hold on to it and whatnot. And then I'll have the Apex account for trading. Today's a day for futures, though. I mean, look at this S&P going crazy, guys. Look at NVIDIA, guys. Insane. NVIDIA is a monster. NVIDIA has now made over a $10 move today. On a $400 stock, all right, you got me there. It's not really that crazy, but looking at it above the 106.80 level on AMD there. S&P above the view up I'm looking at. AMD above this high here, I'm looking at it. Guys, I don't know what you guys are looking at, but those are my plays right now, baby. I hope you guys are loving it. I hope you guys are feeling good. You guys are feeling great. All right. Amazing. You guys are amazing traders all around. You guys are all profiting, printing, baby. Woo! Let's keep up the energy. Let's keep up the good vibes and the good time, baby. Yeah, buddy. So if you guys got a coffee, take a little sip of that and get ready. Get ready for the action-packed event of the afternoon coming in here. 12:30 now. 12:30 now. Looking for this to break above 107. All right, looking for the S&P to break its view up. That's going to be hard. It has to break 437 here. Break 437, baby. We're going up. All right. Look for that red to green. Seeing something like that right now on AMD. Gonna leave it. I see it there, so I'm gonna leave it. If it starts to come down, I'll get her out. Guys. Don't you worry about it. All right. But let's see if we can get a dip buy around here. A dip buy spike through 107. Dip buy spike through 437. Oh man. Oh, AMD doing the opposite of S&P. AMD wants a push. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. These stocks want to play ball game, baby. Who's the stronger target, though? Can AMD push through this little uptrend here? Excuse me, the downtrend here. Starting to break through it a little bit. It needs a break. Push above 106.90. And then we're going to see. S&P. S&P. Now S&P spiking. Now, okay. What's going on here? Okay. What's going on? Woo. We're getting crazy, guys. Guys, I hope you guys are loving what you're watching. I hope you guys are live, laugh, and loving it, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. So wait and watching. I am looking short here with ES. All right. Hey, these are two different plays, so I'm not against your play there. I'm hoping AMD breaks 107, and I see where it goes from there. It's holding above its view up. That's why I'm watching it. S&P has yet to get above its view up, though. So two different plays on any type of rejection on the top side. I think AMD is going to get a quick pop-up. Starting to hold above the 90. Grandmo about to join you. Yup. It's not bad, though. It's not a bad play below it. If I go short one, long the other, is that dumb? I don't think so. They're two different stocks, right? It's like, yeah, right? Yeah, smart. So as long as it holds this 200, though, I wouldn't go short yet. Oh, you guys are looking at ES, though. You guys are looking at ES. They correlate very tightly, though. As long as it holds the 200, if it goes below it, you guys can start to look for it. It's just a bit risky. Right at the 200 level, it could start to wick back up on the S&P. On AMD as well. Excuse me, not AMD, on ES as well. ES is about to push that high here of, what is that, 9.2? High of 9.3, okay. Waiting and watching. Waiting and watching here. Seeing what it wants to bring into the table. We go red to green. I think we get that push through 9.3. So there it is, not breaking its 200 yet. Waiting for AMD to play catch up to the top side with it. That was my only fear here with the S&P. Look at the S&P now ripping. S&P, if it can't break 437, that's where you can look short. S&P, if it can't break its view up, look short. S&P breaks both points. Now we're getting risky. Is Meta worth a shot here on the 290 top of the current channel on daily? Or would you expect to run a bit further to 50-day SMA? On the daily, like you said, let me check this out for you. I got you here. Meta. I had to take a second. Not Meta Q. Meta. We're looking topside Meta on the daily. Okay. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look here, J-Chain. I got you. So, what do you... Okay. Short here on the 290 top of the current channel. Okay, 135%. Immediately what I'm seeing here, though, is I would wait for it to touch 290. Is that what you're looking at? 291.56. I would wait for it to touch the 50 and see what happens. Right? This is the first time it's been below that 50-day for a long time. Since the start of 2023, the start, or yeah, this is the start of 2023. So that's the last time it's been below the 200. So it's been essentially 8 months, right? Here's the short you guys were looking for here, guys. So I would be cautious. I'd be wary. I would wait for the touch. If you're looking short, you know, not too long term, just for like a couple of minutes, a couple hours, okay, then you're good. Then you could potentially punch it in now. But I would wait for it to come up to 291.21 because you're a few dollars off it and it's pushing up and striving for it. So it's going to be a bit harder to get up there like that. So, yeah. 291.57 is my point in here. 1 second. We can go. Yeah, buddy. Got a little something in my eye there. All right. Waiting and watching here. If we go green, we spike all the way up 436.95, 436, 437 area. We go up all the way up. Bam, baby. I think we got it. I think we're going. I think this is it. 9.2, pushing it. 9.4, breaking 9.3 now, guys. Pushing through. This is the push you're looking for. S&P helping it out here. 9.6. Let's see what happens at 107. Guys, this is the push I was looking for here. I want to see it spike above 107. Woo! That's what we're waiting on, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we're waiting on now. We're waiting on 107, baby. Had that little pop-up. Let's see what happens here. S&P coming down doesn't help it out a lot. I'm not going to lie, guys. Doesn't help it out. But if it goes red to green to the top side, you guys... So it's respecting this trend line here. If it starts to break down below it, that's where I'd probably... I'm looking at the view up, really. You know, I'm kind of break even right now. I'm looking for the push back up above it. Hit 9.7. Not bad. Guys, S&P here looks good. S&P looks great, guys. Oh, man, it's so hard to tell. S&P does look good, guys. Guys, I might exit AMD here. Look at S&P. Looking at S&P. Guys, exiting AMD. Looking at S&P, guys. I would love to take this. Love to take this with ES shorts, guys. I would love to join you guys on NQ, but I can't. But I can't. So what are we going to do here? I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. I'm not in anything right now. I'm going to chill out. I'm going to wait. Right this second, I just got out of an AMD put contract. Just got out of AMD puts. AMD calls. AMD calls, not puts. AMD calls. I'm waiting. I am 135% waiting, yes. I might say bucket above that S&P view up and grab like 15 contracts to the top side, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I might do it. 15 contracts to the top side. See what it can do, right? Would that be crazy? Am I thinking a little bit too crazy now? It's like, guys, it's Monday. Chill out, YB. You're doing too much. It's like, it'll be about $100. It'll be about like a $1,500 play. Seeing what we got. There's that bounce play right off AMD. I think, is it a bit crazy? I think it's not that crazy. I think it's not a dumb idea. I don't know, guys. Tesla doing its own thing? Oh, don't even tell me that. Don't even tell me that. Don't even tell me that, guys. No. Don't tell me I'm missing out on Tesla. Okay, let's remove some of these. Hold up. Hold up, guys. Hold up. Let's clear the strong set. Hold up. Don't tell me that. Tesla, topside, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, Tesla to the topside, guys. I want to see. Oh, man, guys. Oh, man. And look at AMD right backing up into it. All right, I'm thinking S&P above its trend line, guys. Up above the view up here. Woo! Any penny stocks doing anything? Any penny stocks were being running? Alright, sorry guys. Had to get that down. Right off that point, reversing. What am I looking for, man? I really want to catch a nice percent gain here on one of these plays. Really looking for a nice percent gain. If nothing presents itself, though, we're in a little bit of a bull flag. A little bit of a bull flag here. It's kind of weird. I don't know about that downside. I don't know where I'd put that, really. It's not like channeling. I say right here, the 200. So, like, extend this to how you want. You do something like that. See that? See how it's a 200 right there? It can't seem to hold below it. So I'm waiting here. All right, get your pack of Welch's. I want you to crack it open. Okay, I want you to take 1, 2, and 3. Don't eat the whole pack. Set it to the side, right? Grab some coffee, swish it around in your mouth. Make sure it doesn't stick your teeth, the gummies and everything. And then I want you to look at the S&P and go, yeah, man. Want a little bit of a channel chop, okay? So I can't trade it. So that's the game plan right now, guys. So get your Welch packs ready. All right. You guys already know it. You guys know what the vibe is. You guys know what I'm saying. I don't gotta tell you guys sometimes. You guys are just like, yeah, buddy. 135%. You know, the Welch's do go crazy. I will admit. The Welch's are amazing. They're the best of the best, baby. So it's awesome, guys. Hope you guys are loving it. Hope you guys are having fun here. So I'm waiting on that last trade of the day, guys. I'm gonna take like one more. I gotta go look at that car soon. It's good. Oh, when I get it, dude, I'll do a little video. I got some videos coming. But yeah, if you guys want, go, not to plug myself out too much. If you guys want, not gonna plug myself out too much. I'm not gonna do not too much of a self promo. Go follow a little TikTok. I'm gonna change the name. I'm gonna start posting these TikToks. I'm gonna start posting some of the games. I'm gonna change the name soon. Don't you guys worry. Right there it is, AMD to the top side. You little dirty. Love you, AMD. S&P coming up, guys. I want to see S&P break 430, 437. So to go follow if you guys got the app. Run it up, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna have fun. All right. So trading, maybe same day expiration. It's gonna be a bit volatile. Not gonna lie. Same day expiration. About 7 of them. I'll take 7 of them. About 7 of them above 437, guys. Right there's that 437. I mean the 107 break. Excuse me. 437, 107, 228. All whole dollar breaks here. Waiting and watching, guys. All right. Yeah, I gotta start posting more TikTok, man. Guys, I'm not this tech savvy. All right, I'm not super tech savvy. All right, so I'm getting it. Still on my puts till 437 break. Okay, Coin Trader, you're still on your puts till 437 break. That's good. That's good. I would just watch this higher low. I mean, you're already aware. If it comes right back down below the 200, though, dude, you are killing it. Oops. No 437 break, though. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Coming up into play here. Nothing yet. Oh, man, dude. I'm about to just, like... All right, guys. I got that Ninja Trader. I got that little itch here to take a trade. Let's see what we got. All right. We're going to do it on the Sim account. Sim account. Okay. We're doing the Sim account here. All right. I'm going to load this up here. See this one here? The $1 million account is fake. I just got that itch to take an NQ trade, to take an ES trade, okay? I'm gonna go like, I don't know, 5. No, not 6. No, quantity. 5, bro. Above 107, above 437, excuse me. I'll take 5 to the top side. I could scalp the crap out of this below it though. Below it, dude. This is what I love about ES, dude. I could literally do this right here. Bam, right there. Cool. Alright, word. Breaks it. I'll get in for a half a point move. And I'll get out. Alright, word. Sound good? Alright, sound good. Alright, ES 09 2-3. I'm looking for half a point. Right? If it comes down below it. If not, I'm waiting. I'll probably actually we'll take my real trade above this point. Coming into play here right up and into that high there, guys. I don't want to get filled at the high a day and then wait for the sell-off to happen. I want to see it break and high. I know some of you guys are on puts. If it doesn't break, I want this thing to sell off. Super heavy, super hard. I'll probably join you guys in this. And we'll all be, we'll all make a crap ton of money. Go get Chipotle afterwards, So, chilling out till then. Chilling out, coming right back down to it, guys. I want you guys to win. I want you guys to make money. I want you guys to kill this. S&P, if you're not going to break it, start to sell off, guys. S&P, I might do this. Hold on. Oh, I can't. I just can't with the wicking. I was thinking about puts up here, right at the 437 mark. As it's rejected once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. But this is my last trade of the day. I don't want to, take a shitty last trade, no offense. But right at this point, just broke above it by a penny, didn't it? No, hit 99. I don't want to get in it until it holds above the VWAP either. And this is where it's like, okay, YB, where are you getting in there, man? Okay, where are you getting in? What's going on? If it holds above the VWAP, a couple cents above it, and it spikes up, and it can hold above, I will be looking at it. If it cannot hold above, I will not. 437 starting to break. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Spiking above the VWAP as well. Has to hold, guys. Don't eat me, bro. It's starting to eat me. Fuck. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it. Come back down a little bit. Come back down a little bit. You little mother. You cute stock. Come back down a little bit here. Get that pullback. Get that pullback. There we go. Hold above the VWAP, though. Don't do nothing crazy now. Let's not be nonsense, all right? All right.
Autofill.
I'm in above the VWAP, guys. That's why I'm in. It's cracking and holding. I want to see it break 2.5 and just spike your rip and run. It has so much room to the top side now. Now we have nothing holding us back right this second to the top side, ladies and gentlemen. We have nothing holding us back to the top side. Came up to 2.5. We have nothing holding us back. We got room to run. What would be the only thing that I would see in the near coming? Well, okay, we have psychological resistance. Other than psychological resistance, nothing. I'm looking at 3-2. I'm looking at 40. 40 is going to be a hard one. I want to see what happens when it gets up there. Stay above that the VWAP here, S&P. You stay above that VWAP, and you start to spike on me, huh? You start to rip and run to the top side. You start to go crazy. All right, just a VWAP play. Just riding the VWAP. That's it. Just getting in right above the VWAP. Essentially, like if you got in at AMD, VWAP dip buy right there. Boom, spiked up. Now you're above 107. You just made 30 cents, 40 cents. You guys are in the money, baby. Right? So now you're looking for a green to come up to 437.40. That's the game plan. How are you guys making out? It's really wanting to break it. Yeah, 430.90 strong resistance. Woo! Broke above it, luckily. We're going to see. We're going to see. Come on, S&P. Let's see you go from red to green and get that spike, rip and run. All right. So, pay the people out. 437.50 is only level I'd watch. Yeah, only reason I have 437.40. Okay. All right. That's cool. Hold up. It does have room. Give me 1 second. Let this thing continue to rip and run, guys. Let it continue to rip and run. If it can break 2.6, 2.5, if it breaks 2.5, guys, you guys are going. Psychological resistance, that's the only reason. But now we're fighting back up in and through it. That's the game plan at hand. Fighting back up in and through it. You want to see it go from red to green and spike up. Red to green, start to spike. Higher lows forming. I like it. I like it. Start to get up there. You want to see it break 2.5. You want it to hold the view up, guys. If it can't, it's gonna be a shit show. It's gonna be a shit show if it can't hold view up. This is the last trade on the day then. Never mind 435 and 40. You're completely right. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Only because right here, as you see, there's so many wicks. Has to hold here though. A little bit of a retracement. I'm fine with. I'm fine with that, ladies and gentlemen. 135%. I want this to be a steady climber. I want this to climb up, and we're looking for percent gain here, guys. We're not looking for a quick scalp. I want this to climb up and make new highs on the day, right? The view up is now the low. That last time, I think we should be able to touch that and going. I want to see it continue to rip and run to the top side. If it can't, it's going to be in these next coming minutes. I would love to see it go a little bit red here, and then next green candles coming in, pushing above 2.5. Maybe we stall out a little bit around 40, break 40, start to continue to push higher and higher. You get what I'm saying? Just that steady climb almost like Tesla here. Take a look at Tesla. Boom, higher, 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 boom. Just keep pushing and pushing and ripping. That's what I'm looking for right now in the S&P. That's what I'm hoping for in the S&P. Okay, that's why I got in on this. All right. So it has the room, it has the momentum, it has the volatility. Lots of selling. Selling pressure is going to come in for the buyers that have been in. Okay, that's great. Selling pressure is going to come in for the buyers that have been in since this entire wavelength. Let me make the trend line. I just really don't want to see this crack that view up, guys. It's right there, guys. That's my only point that I don't want to see crack. And it's starting to crack, guys. That's it. There's nothing more you can do. Nothing more you can do. If it's going to start to crack, it has to wick here. This candle has to wick. Cracking, if it cracks my second trend line, that's it. There's nothing more to it. I'm selling out. I'm done. Nothing more to it. It has to spike back up above view up here. Right? Sellers want it. If buyers can't push this up, sellers want it. I got to get out. I'm getting out. What is it? Excuse me. Buyers cannot push this candle above that view up. That's the stop loss right there. Above the view up has to happen here. A couple pennies off has to happen though. Touching it. Starting to get back into it. Okay, so it's holding a little bit. That's good to see. I want to see it continue to rip and run though. I want to see it continue to rip and run. All the way back up to 20. All the way back up to 2.5. That's it. Has to hold above the view up. That is going to be some resistance now that we're below it. It's going to be some support. It's supposed to be some support when we're above it. Your RR ratio is usually 80 to 20 with these plays. So, waiting and watching here. Waiting and watching to see if we can hold right at it and right above it. If not, nothing. Right at it. Gotta get the spike. Gotta get the spike. Red to green has to happen. Above that 20. Above it all. Cannot hold below it. You need to see it above 20. That seems to be the top resistance right now. Right here at the 20 point. Right there at that 20 point. If it comes below it, it's starting to come down a little bit lower here, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot hold that. You cannot hold this forever. I need to see red to green. I still have faith that it can go red to green with that little wick. I still have faith. If it can't, I'll cut it. So red to green above view up now. Now you're looking for it to come up to 20. No, now you're looking for it to come up to 22.5. There we go. 22.5 area. Start to spike. Okay. I personally will not hold it too much below it. All right. Has to be red to green. Has to be a red to green spike. This candle could be crazy to the downside. That's why it has to be a red to green spike here. Guys, get ready to sell out. Get ready. Have your finger on the trigger here. If this thing does not hold up, it's going to sell. I need to go red to green and spike. Has to spike here. It's playing too much at the view up for me. I don't like it at the view up, guys. I do not like playing. It's playing with me, right? Guys, starting to push 9.4. Need to see 9.4, 9.5, 9.6 come in. Guys, I'm out. I'm out.
Order filled.
There it is. So, out. Guys, done on the day. Done with that. I can't. Guys, what is going on here? Okay, came up to the view up. It doesn't respect it. Now, has it respected it at all today? Not really. I can't really say it has. Maybe once, maybe twice, you know, coming into play here. So, you know, I'm really just going to be waiting on these futures. I don't mind the options, but I really think the NQ scalping, bro. I was up. Let's just say this. My first day, I was up 700. My second day, I was up 800. Right? Got another account. The third day, I was up 3,000. The next day, I was up 200. The next day, I was up 400, 500. There is not a red, and literally knock on wood. All right, knock on that good old wood there, guys. There has not been I have not failed on futures. And it's just because of one thing that I can do. Are you guys ready for this? One thing I can do. Ready? Ready? Coming into play? Okay, I like it. All right, I'm in. I'm in on this, guys. All right, down 0. Come on, baby. Let's see it start to dump. Let's see it start to dump here. You know, coming down into play here. All right. Hold up. Let me bring that back up. All right. Like, there's been no actual day where I've been, like, super red. And I trade NQ, by the way. I trade NQ. So, coming down into play, you know, you're looking for 25 cents. I'm looking for, you know, 437, whatever it is. All right, now it's starting to spike up the view. Of course, the second I puts it in. All right. But, like, you guys get it. I can just DCA. For one, I can DCA. It's like, oh, cool, you're up here. Oh, that's crazy.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, now my stop loss is here. You can, okay, but you can say, YB, you can do that on options as well. It's like, well, here's the thing with futures. It's like, I can just keep DCAing, right? And I'm also, hold on, rewind. I'm also using somebody else's money, right? Okay, oh, I don't like my order fill. I want to get,
order
I want to
filled.
get filled there. Bing, I'm in. Super quick, and now I'm in 15 to the downside. Okay, cool. All right. Oh, it's spiking up still. Damn, man. All right. Well, what do I do here?
Order
Bing.
submitted.
You guys get it? Right? Like, who is it? I think it's Grambo or Tito. Not Tebow, excuse me, Tebow. He just DCAs. And, I don't think it is
Order
Tebow.
canceled.
But, like, on a $250,000 account, you can just keep DCAing. And then you can, like, eventually just be green. And I don't know. Maybe it's just NQ that I'm doing amazing with, but I have yet to be red on NQ per day, man. It's fucking awesome. I love it. Anyways, not gonna complain too much though. Hey, amazing trading day here. Amazing slow money Monday. Nothing going on. I can't wait for Wednesday to come, baby. I can't wait for them. And what is it? I'm gonna wait for what is it? Nvidia earnings. I am gonna wait on Nvidia earnings, guys. I'm gonna wait for you know, something to happen there with Nvidia earnings. And all right, dude, hold on, dude. I'm stubborn. Now that I can be stubborn, I got $1 million on this account. All right, I refuse to let this thing beat me. Okay, you guys want to see some stubborn trading on what not to do? Oh, I'm actually only down $1. So just wait here. Just waiting here. Waiting and watching on the sim account. Sim trade, by the way. Sim trade. This is just for me. This was supposed to just be an explanation on why I prefer futures. Okay, multiple things. For one, it's somebody else's money, right? I'm trading with a $50,000 account of somebody else's money, dude. You know what I mean? 2, the payout ratio. I'm not really worried about that too much, you know. And 3, I can do something called this right here. You can say you can do this on options, but can you do it on options? And let's say it keeps ripping and running. Once again, you're trading. I don't know. If you're trading with your own money as well, it's really not that bad.
Order filled.
Bink. Okay, I'm 20 short now. Now I'm waiting on the sell-off. If it's not going to sell off, dude, you can just keep DCAing, Man, it just won't break. That's what I'm saying, bro. It's just not going down, all right? I'm stubborn as crap because it's a sim account. All right, so I'm not going to sell out of that. But you guys get the point. You can do a lot more with futures than you can with options. Options, I got to worry about data. I got to worry about delta. I got to worry about getting IV crushed. I got to worry about IV affecting all my contracts and everything I'm in. Shares. Shares are straightforward. There's nothing more to it. Shares are just, all right, I get it at 437.19. I make money if it goes to 437.20. I lose money if it goes to 437.18, 17, 16. You know what I mean? It's like, it's kind of just, yeah. It's not really much to it. You know what I mean? So, that's kind of where I'm at. So that's where I'm at, guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, Wednesday is going to be crazy coming into play here. Going to get that funded account here. Maybe even tomorrow. As long as it goes to tomorrow, the money, I am a little bit worried about that liquidation if I take a wrong trade on futures and it doesn't break out. And there, oh yeah, by the way, there's that breakout to the top side, guys. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I didn't even see that. There it is, guys. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are all having an amazing, amazing day. Hey, let's wrap this one up with a good one, guys. Huh? Hold up. hell is this? Hold up. Give me 1 second. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys had an amazing day. I hope you guys at least had some joy with me. Hope you guys are green on the day. Hope you guys are killing it. Printing, profiting, baby. Woo! We're wrapping this one up, ladies and gentlemen. I love each and every one of you guys. I love that you guys are banking with me every single day. Hopefully you guys are coming in here. Even if I'm not, you guys are. You guys are still taking it, still getting it. Fan just won't break. I'm out. Have a good one, Torn Trader. Woo! Let's get it, yeah, buddy. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Woo! All right, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Peace.
They bring down angels like you. Now I'm rising from the ground, rising up to you. Filled with all the strength I found, there's nothing I can't do. I need to know now, can you love me again? I need to know now, can you love me again?
When I met